nabenginewele elayenda kulonyaka ka2021 they were insisting umama nosisi ukuthi we need to go siye ethuneni because sekuyizikhathi sagcina ukethuneni cha mina angithi nama ngibona into wrong because phela umzali uyangitshela I need to listen anything ngitshelwa umzali bathi cha kumele kiwe ethuneni noma kanjani lonyaka ngimela ngalonyaka kuphela ngayangithuna kumele ngitshela thina slam lonke into engizifisayo nani before budkwazi kuzoyiwa. Prior to that, I want to explain ukuthi usisi bethu nezibonakaliso ukuthi itwin liyamfikela ukuthi yena walithembisa ilitshe ukuthi mina alifakele ilitshe waya ngasalifakele ilitshe aphinda athi ugogo angazi ugogo naye uyafika emaphupheni uthi akabongi sekufika lo sikhathi lesaboma February njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sitwazi bese kuba late February lapho sekumele kiwe ekhaya wonke umuntu nje hlehlela nyovana akekho umuntu ofuna ukuya hayi mina busy wathi hayi usisi nomama bahlezi bane meeting boyithu ekamareni yabona ngiyamtshela ubhuti khona ubhuti lo ngithi after usisi laba yithu ukuthi hazi mina khona benga-understand babona bahlezi babane gathering kwayiwe ethuneni ngicela ningilandeleni la ke bhuti kwazi ukuthi kuyenzakaleni ethuneni ekugeni kwethu lapho bhuti kwazi before sizofika khona ethuneni I think ithuna ngilibonela phesheya mina ngila bona phambili boyithu ngawa phezulu kwelinye ithuna ngawa okay ekweni kwami nyawa nje futhi I don't even take it ekhanda udlula amajuba amhlophe aya kule direction ngithi thina sale aya kule direction abuyele emuva majuba amhlophe I'm like hey yaza kuvama ngibona amajuba amhlophe kujwayele phela sijwayele elokushini sijwayele amajuba amnyama vele cha ngiyaphakama ngiyaqhubeka siyethuneni masifike ethuneni vele ngisebasidirectile house siyabona ukuthi avele yilo leyo ngoba sibona ukuthi selihlini sibona ukuthi obvious ubaba if athi ufikile endlini chaza ukuthi vele selihlini uyotlinile la asisheshe siwabona amathuna awuyilo leli vele hayi lisasenjalo but kwazi belingangobi nelitshe kusho umhlabathi nje ngithi yabona bafaka umhlabathi bafaka amatshe siyafika lapha ethuneni vele hayi sikhuluma sonke masiqeda ukukhuluma sonke mama hayi futhi thina akusithi abantu ababalekile kumele kusale wena la ukhulume endleleni ngikhohle ukusho bengidla istock sweet all along masize endleleni sithengile istock sweet mina nomntakasisi siyadla and moqeda ukukhuluma la ifiso zakho uthatha le stock sweet kumele ushiyela uyenisa ushiyela itwins lakho leli bese ushiyela umntana kini la uyamshiyela okay before ngisazokhuluma ngithi hey mama zingiphathekile phetho number 1 kusho ngiphethe umqhama athi hayi ungaqhama khona lapha ezikwethuna vele twins lakho leli ayikho into wrong ungaqhama nje khona la okay anginakanga vele endleleni beka busy angifuza ngalamanzi ukuthi phuza lamanzi kumele uphuze mina nganomi ngaqhama vele phezulu kwethuna ke but kwazi hayi saqeda sahamba ekufikeni kwethu ekhaya hayi lana izulu vele njengoba ngisho February March so kuyovula ke ikolo ke ziyavula ke phakathi kwa March sibuyele esikolweni because I don't even wanna lie bayangazi kuyabakhule nami kuyo yona le first semester kusho before the Good Friday. Yes, I think first semester ngithi before Good Friday.
Yeah.
Angibize ke umem angibize lecture yami before sizovula ukuthi man fortunately there's a change in you nginenhlanhla ke ukuthi nginale futhi ukuthi ngiyathandiwa bomem from high school nginale nhlanhla nje ukuthi people they can notice me ukuthi there's something nje ngaloya angibize ixelele ukuthi man ngiya notice ukuthi eclassini uyafika but ngathi ukhathele azayitshela azasola ukuthi ukhulelwe ngathi never mina abantu no me I'm not that ngikho njalo angiphambanisi ngasho nje ukuthi angiphambanisi so but like no man pick up your socks there's something ngibona kuwe uyaphasa but mama kuswakho akusiwuwe nokuzimisela kwakho eclassini ushintshile you are so tired ngaqala ke kwathi mase sibuya Good Friday because that one it tends to be the worst one ke ngithe mase ngibuya Good Friday ngizwa ngathi abantu bayangisinde eclassini
sanibonani bawule simakhaya igama lami ke mina ngokwazi ngansela ngiphuma phansi negadla amahlatha amnyama nginibingelela silapha kune podcast lapha khona suka sixoxa nje izinto eziningi ezahlukahlukene ezithinta ukuphila kwabantu ngabe imphefumulo o ngabe ukugula ngokwenyama nezimo nje sibhekene nazo emakhaya ethu lapho siphuma khona nezinto eziningi esingathi thina singabantu abamnyama sibhekene naso ngabe isimo senhlalo impilo isimo sokuthi mhlawumbe amatoho wathola zonke lezi zinto lezi esithi nje zincane zibhekene nomuntu wakhe omnyama ke ngokuba ke ababukeli bethu emakhaya balenza iqiniso kubahambeli bethu sine record elihle when it comes to ama visitors wethu afikile futhi angena kulonyaka sinethemba ukuthi nizoba nathi. Siyabonga kakhulu nje nange support yenu babukeli bethu emakhaya eniphe ababukeli abahambeli bethu, siphinde futhi nakulonyaka sinxuse okufanayo. Njengoba sengishilo ke mina uthi igama lami ngokwazi ngokansele ngiphaphasi lenkatha amasatha amnyama ngiyaqala ukuhamba kwebhanoyi ke la endlini. Namhlanje angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no dadwethu ozozisha igama nesibongo ukuthi usuka kuphi ubani kungani sihlangene lapha namhlanje. Dadwethu ungabingelela ababukeli bethu emakhaya uzichaze futhi ukuthi ubani.
Ngiyabonga podcast, ngibonga ithuba, ngibonga kakhulu ithuba. Ngibonga ithuba nje ukuthi lenzeke.
Kade mhlambe silokhu saqala
ngo yes. So
ngo September.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga. Ngibingelela kubabukeli emakhaya.
Yeah.
Dala kuyisifiso sami ngithanda ukuthi nje ngiyepodcast because ngiyabukela podcast, ngiyabona abantu bayasizakala. So ngazitshela nami ukuthi ekufikeni kwami ngiyazi kuyoba nomehluko ungena kwama ezekufane nokuhlala ngithi bathi ingane engakhali ifele embelekweni. So ngigijime ngalawo magama ukuthi ekugcineni ngize ngifinyelele ekufikeni ku-podcast ukuthi ngizolithola usizo. Yebo, igama ngoFortunate wakaRamoba, sengikhohle ukuzaziza ngoFortunate wakaRamoba. Ngikhulele Orange Farm. Kodwa ngokuhlala ke manje ngihlala eThembisa because to umsebenzi. Yes.
Fortunate angithi?
Yeah, podcast.
Fortunate. Inkinga yakhe ihlukile kunezinye inkinga. And udaba esizoxoxa mhlambe singasho ukuthi in between kunekhathi la uzofica khona mhlambe uyashiya kwicamera uyaphuma. Mhlamba uphi umuntu izizathu noma icontext ngingazi ke noma kuzokwenza ukuthi uphume sisashoot. But awuphumukeli ukuthi sihlangene ngani namhlanje kwenze njani, ungaqala ekuqaleni noma ungaqala ngasekugcineni la ufila khona ungaqala khona before ixoxa yonke.
Okay. Ngithi ngiphendule lapha ekuthenini ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi ngiphume sisakhuluma. Nginenkinga yesusu. So siyaqala anytime. So masicala anytime I'm not sure ukuthi yini kodwa siyasika. So yes, inkinga yesisu. So ukusuka kokuqala kwesisu ke Bhutkwazi kuqale 2021. 2021 I was supposed to be doing my last year bengene Val. So I was supposed to be doing my last year esikolweni. So if isikhumbula kahle bekuyikhathi ze-COVID. From 2019 or 2020. Yes. So 2020 ikolo zivalile kahle if I'm not mistaken. Zivale kahle and kumele sihambe sekhaya. Yes, kumele sihambe sekhaya. So but before makavala 2020 bese sazi vele ukuthi COVID ikhona isendleleni. Yes. So lento icala njengento encane ke Bhutkwazi because ngathi khona la nginyathele khona kusho nginyathele ku left icala ekhaya. Kusho nginyathele ku left ekunyatheleni kwami ku left kwanyukela kwaba ngathi ngizwa ngathi mangihamba i-distance ende ngathi iyanyukela lento iyanyukela. Then ngaqala ngazwa ngathi ngihlushwa yisisu. So ukuthi ngize ngibone ukuthi 2021 is because 2021 la sengiqala sengigijinywa yisisu. Kusho 2020 unyaka mayephela bengiphathwa yinyawo kuphela bengakufika esiswini. Kusho bekunyukela from enyaweni ukhuphuka mhlawumbe mina mangiqabanga uze kuyofika esiswini. So kucale ukuthi ngizwa ngathi khonto nginyathelile ngathi inyawo lami libhinyekile. Kodwa usukitsho ukuthi mhlambe khonto unyathelile kabi. Uzame ukuthoba inyawo yabona ngizama ukubatshela ekhaya so bebangangithatheli phezulu mangibatshela nje ukuthi hayi into nje izodlula. So lo 2021 ke to be exact lento icala ekhaya njengoba ngisho ukuthi icala ekhaya ke Bhutkwazi 2021 esikoleni they were not sure ukuthi sizovula nini. Bengena eVal. Esikoleni saseVal nje iVarsity eVal. So I was supposed to be doing my second year, kusho 2021. 2020 it was my first year. No, 2019 it was my first year.
2020 was supposed to be your second year.
Yes. 2020 it was my second year. Ila qale khona iCovid. 2021 it was supposed to be my last year. Bekumele kunya kwami ukugcina u2021 esikoleni. iCovid iqale ngathi 2020 if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So lo 2021 makaqala asivuli kahle esikolweni because they are not sure ukuthi angithi yakhumula bekhona i-online learning. They were not sure ukuthi simele siye eklasini or sizofundela ekhaya. Yes, so it was a confusion in between ukuthi kanjani, because 2020 ngathi uphele already vele bese sifundela online. Siphasiswe i-online asiphasanga siya eklasini 2020. Siphele vele nje sibhizi siphasa nje siyafunda online waze wayophela unyaka. So 2021 it was not sure ukuthi we are going back to school or not. So lo 2021 makaqala esikoleni usually abaziyo ke emavarsity kuvulwa around February, late February, early March. Yes. So isikolo sethu vele thina ngendalo siyazi ukuthi sivula late because every year kuhlezi ku strike wesethu isikolo ithe norm. So ke we're not sure manje because now February sekaye kupheleni. Ekhaya kuqulwa indaba ukuthi we need to go emathuneni. Ngikhohle ukusho ke ekhaya ukuthi sikhula kanjani. Ngicela ukubuyela emuva kancane.
No problem.
Ekhaya si 5. But in record kusho kahle besizoba yi6 mina benginewele elayenda ngoba basho kanjalo ngosiko bathi ladlule emhlabeni basho bathi layenda. Yes, so mina ngweba is4 kusho sine first born usisi kuba bobhuda bayi2 engilama bona mina ba before mina bese kuba omncane ongunumber 5. So kulonyaka ka2021 they were insisting umama nosisi ukuthi we need to go siye ethuneni because sekuyizikhathi sagcina ungethuneni. Cha mina angithi nama ngibona into wrong because phela umzali uyangitshela I need to listen anything ngitshelwa umzali. Bathi cha kumele kiwe ethuneni noma kanjani lonyaka ngimela ngalonyaka kuphela ngayangithuna kumele ngitshela thini slam lonke into engizifisayo nani. Ukuthi ethuneni ngicabanga usaqhina kuya when I was in grade 10 if I'm not mistaken. So grade 10 it was in 2015 because ngaqeda isikole 2017. Yes, ngaqhina grade 10 nakhona siya nje yabona siya siwumndeni sonke vele kubo. So kulonyaka makabe ku insist ukuthi kumele kiwe before but kwazi kuzoyiwa. Prior to that I want to explain ukuthi usisi ube bethu nezibonakaliso ukuthi itwin liyamfikela ukuthi yena walithembisa ilitshe ukuthi kumele alifakele ilitshe waya ngasalifakele ilitshe aphinda athi ugogo angazi ugogo naye uyafika emaphupheni uthi akabongi bekunezitoro eziningi ukuthi ubaba uyaphathwa inyawo so kuphinda kuthiwa hayi kumele abonga amadlozi because ubaba uyagula so njengoba ubaba agula kumele kwenziwe something ukuthi kubona ukuthi ekhaya singabantu abangakholelwa ke into zesintu at all. I've never experienced isintu mina since ngakhula bengiqala ukubona kuloyo nyaka. So kuthiwa hayi kumele kenziwe something for ubaba ukuthi nyawo lizolulama nani. But I think umuntu omdala bephethwe iCovid because ubaba uyipensioner already mina ubaba uqala ukuya kupensioner when I was in grade 10. So ubaba vele ngathi uthola sibadala wabuthola vele esemdala yena. Yes. So kusho ubaba sheshe waya ku pension vele uqinile ke ubaba yena womelele ke inyameni kodwa uyambona noma ngaba buthakathaka kanjani uyaphikelela. So I think mina bekaphethwe iCovid angafuni ukuvuma ukuthi imphethe because bekasaba isibedlela. So yes, so bekabuthakathaka vele inyameni. So yabona bekunezibonakaliso eziningi ukuthi no kumele kwenziwe umsebenzi for itwin ukuthi kuzofaka ilitshe ngoba alinalitshe. Cha kumele kenze umsebenzi ngoba ubaba nani. Okay, but okay siyayeka ke lapho ke but kwazi bengifuna nje ukubuyela emuva nje kancane prior before
explain that.
Yes lo 2021 ukuthi mangithi sizoya ethuneni. Yes, so uyabona nje ibuya lapho leyo ndaba ukuthi kumele kiwe ethuneni. But they were insisting ukuthi the person odingakala ngabampela ethuneni yini. I was supposed to be there because itwins lami leli I need to ukuthi ngimtshele ifiso zami zalonyaka because this is my last day ngimtshela ukuthi ngifisa ngifuna nani. Awu njengoba ngisho ke but kwazi umama umuntu omdala ngizomlalela because ngikhule ngimlalela vele. Lo 2021 ke mase azoqhubeka ke nangi angithi njengoba ngisho ukuthi we are not sure ukuthi we are going back or hasibuyeli. So sesizwile ke kusho basho ukuthi no update us ukuthi bathini esikolweni ukuthi uzoya before ubuyela evarsity because mase ngibuyela esikhathini esiningi ngicina sengasabuyele ekhaya ngibuya after a long time ngama holiday. So kumele uye before ubuyela esikolweni. Okay, then lo 2021 kwahlelwa ke kwahlela umama nosisi baqala mabahlela bathe bahlale ngabo December wathi kuzobhukhiwa nje iquantum sizophuma sonke because hayi kukude emsisi beqeda ukutholwa ingane kukude emathuneni kuse number 1 khona nje Orange Farm. kumele siye emathuneni kuzohlela uQuantum sizohamba sonke nje ngeQuantum size sibuye or singahamba ngenyawo sibuye ngeTaxi sonke okay it's fine mase kufika lo sikhathi lesaboma February njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sithazi bese kuba late February lapho sekumele kiwe hayi ekhaya wonke umuntu nje hlehlela nyovana akekho umuntu ofuna ukuya hayi mina busy what hayi usisi nomama bahlezi bane meeting boyithu ekamareni yabona ngiyamtshela ubhuti khona ubhuti lo ngithi after usisi laba yithu ukuthi hazi mina khona benga-understand babona bahlezi baba ne-gathering kusho ukuthi thina share ikamera nosisi but le gathering yabo uma bayenza mina ngiswangekho like they wait for me to go before they make a gathering mangena umama uzothi uyaphuma ekamareni yabona so ngithi hayi mhlambe nje uqabanga because angithi vele isikhathi esiningi ngiswangekho ekhaya bajwayelene ngabothuna yes mhlambe baxoxa indaba zabo I was like that so lo 2021 ke but kwazi ngalabo late February sikuyoshaya March early March kusho sivule phakathi kwaMarch if ngiyaqabanga esikolweni kwayiwe ethuneni ngicela ningilandeleni la ke but kwazi ukuthi kuyenzakaleni ethuneni uhambe ubaba before thina bekumele sihambe sonke angithi akusahambiwa sonke usisi yena sekathi mama uthi hayi yabona ngathi benza meeting babodwa nje abazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani kodwa usisi yena ngathi akasayi maka kodwa thina ingqondweni esithi hayi noma ngasayi kusho uzothumela izingane ngoba unezingane zakhe kusho abashana bami uhamba ubaba before thina uthi hayi uzosambela phambili uyosimela phambili ubaba kana phone thina sizohamba sodwa kusho kwaba yimi umama no ne firstborn kasisi entombazana ubaba uhambe before thina siyamlandela emuva siyapho kuphela vele kuye emathuneni before kuzoyiwa emathuneni kubhekiwe endlini bekubhekiwe nje day before that khamba nama cake sidli phatha ama cake endleleni siphethe amanzi hayi mama nje uyaphophe usamathi ngaqedini nizowaphuza endleleni ngaqedini phela kukude endleleni emathuneni sathi sayifika ke but kwazi emathuneni mase sifike emathuneni ubaba sekafike before thina sekahambe nokuhamba akanafoni ubaba sesilahlekile siwaba asiliboni ithuna sekudala phela saqina njengoba ngisho saqina 2015 kusho mama ukhohliwe kusho isikhathi esingijolo ukubonisa ubaba noma usisi makaye emathuneni so sesiyalahleka hayi siyalahleka egcineni kwethu sesiyangala kusho sesiyaduba ukuthi hayi asambeni kuyafana kusho angeke silithole vele ngoba kuningi silifuna maybe we had 1 hour sibhizi sizule emathuneni abathuna abantwana ngakuphi yabona the busy directing us siyalahleka ekuhambeni kwethu umama ebonisa hayi ngathi ngeke phela sihambe la anyeke kulunge ukuthi sihambe singakufiki sijike kusho sesila I don't know ukuthi uyangithola
ngiyakuthola kahle
yes so uhambe la phambili mina kusho nomntaka sithi sibhizi silandela ngasemuva semona usefonini emva kwesikhathi uyasho ukuthi usisi usidirectile uthi thula lingakuphi kuphi animlaleleni kahle la sekayifaka ku loudspeaker kusho kube yakhuluma naye icala phambili before then wabuya wayifaka ku loudspeaker ke but kwazi wakhuluma usisi ukuthi okay nizobona ngani isikolo hamba nendaweni so okay sesiyazama ukubhekisa isikolo uthi okay endaweni so sesiyaya ke hayi ekugeni kwethu lapho futhi kwazi before sizofika khona ethuneni I think ithuna ngilibonela phesheya mina ngila bona hambela phambili boyithu ngawa phezulu kwelinye ithuna ngawa okay ekweni kwami nyawa nje futhi I don't even take it ekhanda udlula amajuba amhlophe aya kule direction ngithi thina sale aya kule direction abuyele emuva majuba amhlophe I'm like hey yazi akuvama ngibona amajuba amhlophe kujwayele phela sijwayele elokushini sijwayele amajuba amnyama vele cha ngiyaphakama ngiyaqhubeka siyethuneni masifike ethuneni vele ngisebasidirectile hawu siyabona ukuthi avele yilo leyo ngoba sibona ukuthi selihlini sibona ukuthi obvious ubaba if athi ufikile endlini chaza ukuthi vele selihlini uyotlinile la asisheshe siwabona amathuna awuyilo leli vele hayi lisasenjalo but kwazi belingakobi nelitshe kusho umhlabathi nje ngithi yabona bafaka umhlabathi bafaka amatshe siyafika lapha ethuneni vele hayi sikhuluma sonke masiqeda ukukhuluma sonke mama hayi futhi thina akusithi abantu ababalekile kumele kusale wena la ukhulume endleleni ngikhohle kusho bengidla istock sweet all along masize endleleni sithengile istock sweet mina nomntakasisi siyadla and moqeda ukukhuluma la ifiso zakho uthatha le stock sweet kumele ushiyela uyonisa ushiyela itwins lakho leli ushiyela umntana kini la uyamshiyela okay before ngisazokhuluma ngithi mama ngiphathekile phetho number 1 kusho ngiphethe umqhama athi hayi ungaqhama khona lapha ezikwethuna vele twins lakho leli ayikho into wrong ungaqhama nje khona la okay anginakanga vele endleleni beka busy angifuza ngalamanzi ukuthi phuza lamanzi kumele uphuze mina nganomi ngaqhama vele phezukwethuna ke but kwazi hayi saqeda sahamba ekufikeni kwethu ekhaya hayi lana izulu vele hayi yabona ukuthi hathi phela izulu malina sithi hayi yibusise kusho sambe kahle sijabule it's fine. That was February njengoba ngisho February March so kuyovula ke ikolo ke ziyavula ke phakathi kwa March sibuyele esikolweni because I don't even want to lie bayangazi kuyabakhule nami mina angazi ngisichaza kanjani but I'm a bright student angikho bright angikho lowa ngu-average but ngihlezi ngigijimela kuya phezulu angiyiphansi ngila kusho ngasuka ku-16 ku-70 angeze ngisuke ku-16 ku-40 ngila mina loyo nyaka I felt ekufikeni kwami esikolweni sesiyakhumbula ngithi kulo nyaka wami wokugcina ke u-2021 ngikhomitha yini suicidal lemiqabanga ukuthi ngathi ngashona isikole sesiyangibhora hayi but I thought ukuthi no man mhlambe last year ifatigue ukuthi ngihleli kakhulu isikhathi ekhaya ngithi sihlele isikhathi eside kakhulu ekhaya singayi esikolweni after i-COVID ngoba ngisho ukuthi siphase ngani ngi-online so I'm like mhlambe ifatigue ukuthi nje bese ngijwayele ukuphumula uyabona but ukuthi mani kuya ngokuqhubeka ngoba angithi nangu March siqale phakathi kwa March hayi sekayophela uMarch sesiya ku Good Friday manje ku April nale Good Friday ayi man ngiyalithanda ke mina inkonzo abakhule nami they know me I love church like ngiyazimisela yonke into manyenza mina ngiyayenzisisa I love church everything mase ngiyenza ukuphikelela like yabona ngiyayenzisisa but now kulokuphikelela kwami sengiyaziforce into mayenza ngisayenzi ngothando ngathi khona into ngiziphusha ukuthi I need to do this okay it's fine kuyo yona le first semester kusho before the Good Friday yes I think first semester ngithi before Good Friday
yeah
angibize ke umem angibize lecture yami before sizovula ukuthi man fortunately there's a change in you nginenhlanhla ke ukuthi nginale futhi ukuthi ngiyathandiwa abo mem from high school nginale nhlanhla nje ukuthi people they can notice me ukuthi there's something nje ngalo ya angibize eqelele ukuthi man ngiya notice ukuthi eclassini uyafika but ngathi ukhathele azasola ukuthi ukhulelwe ngathi never mina I want to know me I'm not that angikho njalo angiphambanisi ngasho nje ukuthi angiphambanisi so aba like no man pick up your socks there's something ngibona kuwe uyaphasa but ama marks wakho akusiwuwe nokuzimisela kwakho eclassini ushintshile you are so tired ngaqala ke kwathi mase sibuya Good Friday because that one it tends to be the worst one ke ngithe mase ngibuya Good Friday ngizwa ngathi abantu bayangisinda eclassini if uyakhumbula but kwazi ngithi moya Good Friday you have to go home vele anyeke uzisuke esikolweni uye esontweni uqala ekhaya uyulungisela sikhonzeza yona ke ekhaya siyalungisela ulungisela umphako ulungisela izinto uya Good Friday vele udlulela khona ekhaya so bengi notice ukuthi every time ngiyathela ekhaya lenyawo liyaqala because angithi ngiphume esikolweni ngiyekhaya manginyathela ekhaya lenyawo liyaqala liqale lapho inyawo so I'm like hayi uqabanga vele into mayiqonga ukuthi hayi mhlambe ngiyaqabanga nje yikho lento so okay siyenkonzweni ke njengoba ngisho sibuya Good Friday ekubeni Good Friday ngibuyela esikolweni angithi but guys mase sibuya Good Friday turn to the worst ke ngizwa ngathi abantu bayangisinda ke eclassini ngizwa ngathi nje ngizwe ithunzi ngathi nje everyone ngathi ngiyambonela ngathi ngibona indaba zakhe ngathi ngina sengumprofeti la eclassini or ngisangoma ngizwa ngathi I can't stand abantu ke kwasuka lapho ngibona hayi lo ngathi yabona hayi mina I can maintain lento mhlambe nje ayiqabanga because ngiyakhuleka ke ngaqala ke ukwenza fasting I started ukwenza fasting ukuthi every week ngithatha ngiqale nge3 days ukuthi okay 3 days angidli ngiyathandaza so ngoba le ndawo ihlala kuyo ke hayi kube nempikiswana ukuthi hayi mhlambe le ndawo ihlala kuyo esikolweni but hayi le ndawo ihlala kuyo mhlambe hayi vele bathi akusindawo eright what yabona ngoba bathi hayi indawo vele yapoka bazosho njalo so okay but kwazi yaqala lapho indaba eneyithunzi njengoba ngisho ngizwa ngathi ngiyasindelwa mase ngibuya Good Friday ngifike esikolweni ngizwa ngathi ama classmates ayangisinda everyone nje ngathi I can't tolerate anyone wonke umuntu nje uyangikhaba uhlele emahlombe ami ngathi nasemgwaqweni ngathi nje ngihamba ngi1 nje ngihambe emhlabeni wami okay it's fine ya escalator bekuthi makushaya u6 uvalo luthi sengisaba kube romini ngi1 ke manje luthi uvalo luthi okay after Good Friday futhi kwazi njengoba ngisho uvalo liyaqhubeka liya escalator sengasaba kube romini ngi1 sengathi ngahleli ngithola nje ngisemgwaqweni ngihleli nabantu erumini ngathi sengabiza abantu ukuthi ngicela nizongihlalisa and then ngabona ukuthi lento ngathi iya ngokuqhubeka now we are approaching July if we are khumbula because ngithi this is 2021 I'm turning 21st so I knew ukuthi ekhaya cha maybe bangafisa ukungenzela kodwa ngenze bangenzeli, I'm not sure, mara mina ngiyafisa ukuyi-celebrate le moment for me. So I was planning now sengenze igroup ngenze ukuthi ngizoza ama photo shoot nani support uJuly manje ngijabulele ukuthi nje I'm gonna celebrate myself manje. It's fine. Siya approach uJuly ke izophela ke i-first semester. So again kuyophela le first semester eRomini I can't manje ngisakhona vele lutho sengabiza like there's a guy bengimazi nje uyathandaza khona nje lapha isikhuluma biza bathi in RCL yes ngiyamazi lo mfana uthi uyathandaza because besijwayele ukukhuluma ngezwi njalo mahlangana ekitchen mina naye uhlala endaweni eyodwa so bengimuntu ethi yazi angisakhona ebusuku ngiyasaba ngiba novalo lokulala ngiqala bakuba ebusuku uzongihlalisa then uzophuma mase ngizolala mawusophuma uzokhiya eminyango uthatha isikhiya usilahlele phansi komnyango athi why ngimtshela ukuthi I can't ngibona ngathi ngibona izinto ngathi khonto ngibhekile eRomini aba like no it's fine so bekajwayele ukuhlala nami eRomini ngixoxisa sibhizi sikhuluma bese ngayenza anything sinister bese ngayenza lutho nje besixoxa nje impela azayohamba so lo July mase sizovala esikolweni hayi ngabona ukuthi cha akusaseyiko lokho because ngiyazi ke ukuthi mina umuntu ophakama kakhulu mangimtshela ngezinto ugogo umama kaMama ke ugogo so I was like I took a decision ke ukuthi nje without informing into eziningi nje ngizothi mangiphuma esikoleni nje besicela ukuvala masifikele ekhaya ngizohlala ekhaya one day second day ngihamba ngiyobuya gogo ukuthi sekuno double store and angisakwazi ukulibekezelela but kwazi phaya before ngizoya kagogo lapha ngoJuly khona esikoleni mase ngizwa zonke into ezenzakalayo there was a time I think it was around May or June ngihleli ngiyintombazana lapha esikoleni ngiyamtshela ukuthi yazi mina nginosisi but ngibona leyo close ngakhona busakho yazi ngiyakhalela asinayo leyo lobo budlelwane mina naye athi because usaphila naye usaphila mphilele mtshele ukuthi how you feel ukuthi mangaba kuyalungiseka if akulungiseki ngamtshela I think ngimtshele usisi maybe kuyi one day like maybe kuyi Friday ayongiphendula maybe kuyi Wednesday athi usisi yazi ngikuphupha wena uhlanya udobha amaphepha. She just said that angimphendulanga because I felt like akangiphendule into ngimtshela yona mina. Okay it's fine ngiyaphuma lapho angithatheli ekhanda ngisithi ngithi hayi nje uzikhulumela ngiyasho ke but kwazi ngiyafikela ekhaya ekufikeni kwami ekhaya angithi njengoba ngisho esikoleni sibe ngishaya uvalo nani ekhaya it was worse than esikolweni
ngathi khona into okubukayo
ekhaya but kwazi ngiyakubona ukubuka efasteni ngibona ngathi kunesithunzi esibheke mina kunesithunzi mina there's a reflection of someone who's looking exactly kimi ebusuku or ama-dreads umuntu wama-dreads nje angimazi nje mangihleli ngiyambona lo muntu ekhaya ngizwa ngathi khona into elaphambi kwami ephefumulayo I was like no phela mangithi ngibaleka ekhaya I thought ekhaya is going to be better than esikolweni
kuba worse
ekhaya it became worse manginyathela ngizwa ngathi ngihlaba amanaliti but njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngumuntu okhulekayo I was like ngicula khona ingoma ngithanda bathi kanye nawe inkosi yami ngihlala ngiqula nje ngithi kanye nawe inkosi yami I felt like I was acting like akenzeki lutho but there was something happening so kulobo busuku njengoba ngithi ngisuka esikoleni ngisho ngizolala ilanga eli1 second day I'm going ngiyakagogo ekulaleni kwami ekhaya lelo langa lelo that's when I saw ukuthi there's something up angikhona ukulala ngiyamchazela baba uthi baba why ungalali ngithi no baba khonto ngizibonayo la endlini and ngiyabona ukuthi akekho umuntu ongikholwayo yabo so I'm like esikoleni bengizibona but here endlini kuwest angazi ngathi ngahamba khona manje if I had imoto if bekhonakala bengathi mina ngithatha manje ngingise kagogo because I felt indlela indawo yokuphephela enginayo nje manje ugogo kuphela it's because noma ngisesikoleni ngeke ukwazi bekangicheck ugogo constantly belingapheli iviki angicheckanga ugogo so I felt ukuthi man uyaqabanga ngami ugogo kakhulu so I felt like indawo engabalekela kuyo manje ugogo because nogogo ngiyazi uyazikholela entweni zesintu because ukhulele emakhaya yes so ngiyamtshela ukuthi angikhona ukulala nje ngibona izinto and sekuzobe ebusuku so makube ebusuku njengoba ngisho ukuthi makuthi 6 beliqala uvalo ekhaya it became worse it felt like ngathi ngingazula indlu yonke ngithandaze so ngiyacala ngisho ukuthi I can't uthi kumele ulale it's no mina ngizohlala la I will try ukuthi ngenza ama assignment wami I will try to do something ezongikeepa busy kuze kuse because I can't kamampela so beyaba like hey okay ngizobukela iTV nawe ubaba was trying, like he was trying his best ukuba supportive because akazi ukuthi ngibonani. Yes, so ngahlala ke lobo busuku lobo ke but kwazi I'm watching iphone. Ngibukela intshumayelo khona ubabugombi, ngithanda kakhulu babugombi. Ngibukela intshumayelo zababugombi, ngibukela intshumayelo zababuthwala, ngiyabukela ngibhizi ngapha ngenza ama assignment. Like I'm just trying to keep my mind busy ukuthi ngingayicabanga into engizibona la izenzakala. Because ngithi ngiphakamisa amehlo, there's something lapha esithunzini sefastera. Umama ubhizi yazula le ungishala idani wami, kusho ekhaya idani wami, kamera la mama kusho uma uyekamareni lethu udlula edani room bese uyekamareni lethu. So umama ubhizi uyadlula ngapha uya ngalexis asuke ngale abuye ngapha ubhizi uyahleka ubhizi uthi. So I'm like umuntu engifuna ukusupporta kakhulu it was my parents ke umama nobaba ngithi nikhona la umama bengimela afika athi ngiyenzakalani bonani how uyahleka bona. And then after some time wathi ayawulale wena yini ubuyile nokuhlanya kwakho kwaseValley kuhlanya. I became so scared ukuthi ukuhlanya I've never ngimtshela ukuthi khonto engizibonayo yena because akangibuzanga ngizobaba. For ukuthi yena azathi ubuyile nokuhlanya kwakho yini ubuyile namadimoni akho kwaseValley kenzakalani sekahlanya. Like they were saying that I'll tell you lawo magama abhiza tshela usisi abhiza yakasisi ngale usisi nabeka ifihla angezi umbone amangase edani ekitchen if ekitchen kunomnyango so ukuthi uyavula ekitchen ubona edani womuhle lapha ya edani umbone nje alungisa so abuyele ngale kamereni. Yena usisi beyangaveli bephithizela kakhulu mama. Okay mama yangalena usisi nje ubona uzivele kamera ngathi mama uyoma-update ukuthi sekenza so after some time sothi ngiyaphakama ke sengiyathandaza ngomthoko bengaba ngumsini nje bengithandaza nje kahle ukuthi if anything yabona which is against mina ayinamandla ayinasabelo it's fine because I felt like yonke into enzakalayo ize kimi because angithi ibonwa yima ke umuntu oyibonayo. Kwabanjalo ke but kwazi ngiyathandaza it's fine. Ukushona kwaziwa yimi kwathi u4 makayenza makufika nje ukuthi signal kukhanya sekokhanya because angisiyakhumbula uJuly kumnyama yimi lo yawubilisa manje ukuthi I'm going ngoba like ngizohambe kanje kusekuseni phela ngizohambe ngathi umuntu oyemsebenzini uzolinda u7 lapho ke okay ke angithi sofuna something ezongikhipha busy sengivukela ukuthi ngiyoshangela but kwaze kuvukeni kwami ngaphandle there's qheliwe ngaphandle nje amanzi amnyama angazi kuphe itupini ngizotsho mama ukuthi mama pheka ini like emnyango kwenzalani wathi yasazi thina ungasifaki lapho kusho mama. It's fine ithi ngakunaki konke lokho ngiyashangela but kwazi ngiyashangela ekushangeleni kwami ngiyalungisa ngaphandle ngiyenzela ukuthi lokushangela kusho ngiyenzela ukuthi khambe isikhathi angithi ngizokwazi ukusheshe isikhathi kuse fast ngizohamba phela ngikagogo. Aqhubeka ngomuntu oyakagogo nje umama ungishiye ekseni ungishiya ngibona ngikho right bayahamba uyothengisa umama umuntu othengisayo wahamba uyothengisa ubaba ngitshela ukuthi no you cannot manage uyagogo uso why ungalindi mibuzo yakusasa. I'm like the only way engaphila nje ukuyakagogo because ngiyazizwa ukuthi angiphephanga la ngithukile. Ubaba aba like angeke ufune ngikhaphe ngathi hayi imali bekhona besizohamba sonke. So mina njengoba ngiyakagogo vele ngiyazi ukuthi angilindelanga imali yamuntu ngigcine from esikoleni mangisuka ukuthi ngale mali yami eNSFAS ngibekile vele ukuthi ngizothatha kuyo ngichubeke ngakagogo ngohambo lwami. Ekseni sesubhizi ngibheka nje uthi hayi but because anginaki vele anginaki njengoba ngisho ukuthi anginaki nje ukuthi hayi yabona mhlambe they think I'm hallucinating ngizibonela into zami. Yeah, and then after some time khona lo mntasi sami akaphilanga kahle uphilile unenkinga ye-epilepsy. So ngihlela ngimuzwa abalisa yabo so ngimbizela eqeleni ngithi yazithandeka into emhlabeni siphila ngomkhuleko so ungabokholela abantu bani bakenzani ngoba ngizwile bathi usho so ngisesikolweni yabo kwathi mangizophuma usisi wangibiza wathi ungazotshela umntana wami indaba zobuloyi ungabomfundisi indaba zobuloyi ngathi thanda ngitheni kuwe mina athi uthemba mama ngithandaza akakhuluma ngobuloyi uthemba mina ngabokholela into enzobuloyi athi hayi ngamtshela nje umntana wami next ngindaba zakhe. Like ngathi umuntu odefensive ongasafuni lutho ehlanganisa mina naye. Anginakanga but kwazi. Thatha umthwalo wami ngiyaphuma ngiyakagogo, ngithatha isikhabe ngiyakagogo. Ekufikeni kwami kagogo vele ngifika. I but kwazi ungahleka because it's like intamo yami ngathi ngumntwana omncane. It's like yageqezela izandla ziyageqezela ngihamba nje endleleni ngathi ngumuntu nje angisana balance but ekuphelelwa ngiphelela ukuthi ngiyofika kodwa as long ngazi ukuthi ugogo uhlala laphi ngiyofika khona egqineni ngifika vele eBinoni ngomuntu ongekho right ugogo uhlala eKingsway. Ngiyahamba vele cabanga nje ukugibela from Orange Farm uyasuka uconnect eJozi usuka eJozi uconnect eDanswadi uziyofika eKingsway ngiyafika vele ngithola ugogo akekho ngimlindaza ayofika ntambama ngifika vele ngithi gogo hayi isimo sinzima akabuzanga nokubuza nje ugogo wathi sivuke ekseni semntwini washo njalo gogo sivuka nje ekseni semntwini because manje ilanga lishonile akho right ukuthi sifike ilanga selishonile so si wangihahade wangenzani usawoti wahahaza usawoti wathi ugogo noma yini okholelwa kuwe mina ngiyakusupport uma ufuna ukuthandaza thandaza manje uma ufuna ukulayita ikhandlela whatever ozokwenza ukuthi ufeel better at this moment do it ngathi no ngizofuna ikhandlela wathi hayi hamba uthenga amakhandlela ngithenge usawoti ngathi mina ngifuna lilalela layitile sona angikho right wathi it's fine we did that kwaze kwayosa savuka ke but kwazi ekseni saya emntwini njengoba ugogo ke ngisho ukuthi umuntu okholele ezintweni zesintu wasise emntwini umuntu akagqibazani mabizani akagqogosanga wenze straight nje so wathi lo mntwana bamgadla and into ebhlungu akagadlwa abantu basemgwaqweni phela kugadlwa kubo athi bakhona bamgadla emgwaqweni but bathola amandla makagadlwa kubo because lento enzakala le abantu bakubo so angifuni ukukhipha amagama washo njalo ke babathi angifuni ukukhipha amagama abantu abahlala nabo endlini so ngoba wena gogo mlethela ngicela nje wakupha into ukuthi hayi le yokushisa lena yokubhema zonke lento abazenzayo wathi ngicela umthengele indwangu washo ukuthi umthengele indwangu emhlophe nendwangu ebhubesiyanani uzolala ngazo athandazele ubatshela abazali bakho ukuthi kumele baziphahlele washo njalo okay but kwazi siyakhumbula ngithi uJuly ngiyaka gogo nje sekuyovala kwabo June kusho lama plan wami we21st nani cancelled everything cancelled because manje sekuyimpilo yami sengigijimisa ihealth okay kwaba njalo ke siyabuyela kagogo sengqono ngithi sekunomehluko siyenzile into bathe sizenze siyekhaya ekuyeni ekhaya ngihamba nalezi zinto phela ngibuya nazo la kagogo kumele ngisebenzise sekuyaliwa ke budukwazi angithi kuthiwe makuthengwe akasithenganga le ndwangu gogo ngithi kuthiwe abazali bakhe kumele bamthengele le ndwangu so ziphahlelwe azosebenzisa alale ngazo sekuyaliwa ukuthi indwangu zani lezo zizothengwa ubani nani akwagcina kuvumelana mangithi kuyaliwa ngichaza ukuthi kulwa umama nosisi because usisi ngathi kuye waye naye before bamtshela ngezinye indwangu naye apparently bamtshela ngezinye indwangu nami sengitshelwa ngezinye indwangu so angunderstand kulolwane ukuthi ubani uzothenga le ndwangu why kumele ngiphahlele it's fine ngiyahlala ekhaya lobo busuku lobo ngiyalala I think ngihleli boma 2 days seconds kusho ngihleli yonke vele ama holiday awe first semester kagogo azayovalwa ngabuyela esikoleni ekubuyeleni kwami esikoleni but kwazi it became worse than before hayi ngabona ukuthi I can't even ngikwazi ukuhlala iviki imagine ke yonke into iseyaphazamiseka esikoleni because uzofunda kanjani ngapha kuningi kuyenzeka ngesikhathi esisodwa athi gogo le weekend come back again le weekend buya kimi so masibuyela kagogo before ngizobuyela kagogo but kwazi ngichinje indawo lapho ngitshela lo bhuti lo uphethe indawo ukuthi angisakwazi ukuhlala lapha because ngibona ngathi ngithusa abantu ngalento engizenza lapha ngoba ngibona izithunzi angikwazi ukuhlala egomini nani wathi hayi mangaba indawo ngizokushintsha indawo ngifake kwenye indawo ngiyakwenye indawo sekangishintshele yona ngifuna ukuthi but kwazi ngichazela ukuthi mase ngibuya kagogo angibuyelanga le ndawo ngihlala kuyo ngibuye ngathutha ngaya kwenye indawo kule ndawo angisakhumula kuqala ngithe isithunzi bengasibona indawo engisibona ekhaya mase ngibuyela kule ndawo isithunzi ngiyasibona ke manje sengihambe nalesa sithunzi isithunzi isisu esiswini ngathi khona into okugoqozayo khona
asikaqala ukukhipha isisu
asikaqala ukungikhipha isisu siyagoqa uqale nje inyawo kuphela isisu nje ngathi khona okugoqozayo but ngibala ekhaya man uqabanga njengoba ngisho ukuthi hayi uqabanga ngiyafika ke lapha kule ndawo entsha sengibona isithunzi bengasiboni isithunzi bengisibona ekhaya sengibona isithunzi lapha sengihlushwa isisu siyagoqoza asikangikhiphi ngiyahlala lapha gogo wathi no you cannot mangithi mangilele ebusuku bengathi khonto beyilwa nami ebusuku ngivuka amehlo abovu ngivuka nje ngathi ngikhathele wathi you need to come back game mase ngibuyela angizibuyelelanga mina if ngikhumbula kahle lobo busuku bengakwazi ukulala esikoleni bengakwazi ukulala kusho ngiyathandaza ubusuku bonke ekuthandazeni kwami ubusuku bonke students they were like we cannot angeke sikubekezelele lokho bahamba bengireport ukuthi into azenzayo lo ebusuku asilali inqa yakhe busy yathandaza izinto zakhe uyamemeza hayi bathi wemeza wenzani bathi kanzi kwikho into yenzayo makuyaqula uyathandaza thina sikwazi ukulala la yabona so lobo busuku lobo there was a guy who came, I think nayo umuntu babizana ama-caretaker walapha esikoleni.
Yeah.
So uthema ekufikeni kwakhe kusho bebamkhuzile ukuthi hayi hamba usikhuzela loyana ngoba ngithi uyophethe lapho.
Yeah.
Uthema kafika yena uyazama ukungithulisa nani kusho manje lapho kwazi sengiyahlanganisa nali iBhayibheli la ngiyathandaza lokho bathe ngikushise nako ngiyakushisa lana konke ehlangene lokho bathe ngikubheme
ngiyabhema
kuhlangahlangene nami nje sengidide ukuthi kenzakalani ke la wafika lo bhudi wathi yonke into enza la kumele uyivale umbhedi wami angisawubeka ngasongo ngizwa ngathi ngibona amakati umbhedi sengubeke ngeside wathi there's something engekho right kumele uhambe wena ekhaya lo mfana wafika washo njalo ngamtshela ukuthi no it's fine ngizohamba kusasa vele ubusuku lo ngikhuluma ngabo angikhuluma ibhudi kwazi ngabo 7 6 ngikhuluma ngabo ma 10 11 12 ntatha kusa abantu bahlangane ngami bathi ukuthi sisi lento yenza la uphazamisa abanye abantwana I'm like no it's fine ngizohamba hayi wafika lo mfana ngathi ngicela sithandazeni wahamba wangikhuza wangikhuza waphinda wabuya selithuka wabona ukuthi lo ngimkhuzile makuyaqhubeka lento ayenzayo musukusho kathi wathi asithandazeni kusho yena lo mfana ngoba ngithi mina ngithi ngikholelwa uNkulunkulu wathi okay ke asithandazeni sithathe lento zakho sesibekele impepho zakho nani ke kancane uthe mathi sithandazeni sathandaza ngicela ukuthandaza wathi angazi uthi ngicela uqimela idorho bekaphuma waqima ngemistake uthe ubona isithunzi la kimi uthi like into engiyibone la akazange sabuya ke loyo mfana wathi light maqimiwe kusho ngizothini budukwazi something from kusho iwindow li straight so nombhedi yena umemnyango lapha uthe lesithunzi asibone la kimi ngibone isilwane nje amehlwama ayalighta ayathusa kusho ngaphandle angazuzwa understand ngithi ngaphandle unama light kusho that you can see through someone if ume lapha ya so uthi akabonanga mina akazange sabuya futhi angithi lo ngithema uthe masithandaze kusho ufike ecela wangikhuza wabuya wathi makuthandazwe after lapho wathi hayi mina guys ngisazingeni seniyombizela abantu abakhulu mina angisabuye kule lapho into engiyibone lapha sekatshela mina into engiyibone lapha hayi angeke ngikwazi ukuyichaza ngizoyichaza ekseni okay ekseni kwakhona sekuwuyo ozochaza sekhona abakhulu ke abadlula yena kusho abaphathi besikolo abathandazi nani abaprofeti kusho lapha esikoleni vele abantu ayini abaphathi bama-RC yes nabantu abaphethe ama-academic wathwathi ukuthi hayi bathi kunenkinga lapha kuleya ndawo sambe siyohlola ukuthi kenzakalani bafika vele kufika kwabantu abaningi but kwazi yibo plus ama-paramedic bakhe we don't see anything wrong asiyiboni lutho thina sibona u-right nje akadlanga nje kodwa normal lo muntu then lo umama wathi umama makuthandaza maqeda ukuthandaza wathi cha sisi inkinga yakho ayikho la isekhaya hamba uyolungisa ekhaya bathi lo mfana maqhaza ukuthi uboneni lo mfana lo bekazi lazongikhuza but kwathi thema kaqhaza noma ngisakwazi ukukhuluma sengiphelwa amandla ukuthi sengizothini because ngiyasho ukuthi no khonto engibisaya but nami angazi ukuthi yini okay it's fine but kwazi sengikuhlola ukuthi ukuhamba kwami ngibuyele back kagogo yiko lo yes so sengihambiswa ngisazambeli sengihambiswa ukuthi bathe esikoleni sicela uyophumula kancane mhlambe iviki or 2 weeks until nje kube guaranteed kini ukuthi bawubona imehluko kuwe because now you are going to affect wonke ama student manje ngenxa yakho it's fine I went back ekhaya it's around July but kwazi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi beceda ukubuya iwathwa ngiceda ukubuya kuma holiday ka first semester ngiyabuyela ekhaya mangibuyela ekhaya ugogo ngithi uthe uzoze makazele kimi makabuye aze kimi before ngizobuya kagogo there's izinto eziningi manje ukuthi ngingabuyeli but ngiphikelela futhi nyakagogo ugogo this time asengibuyela kuye ugogo ungisemntwini ukuthi lo muntu lokusho sekuwumuntu onamandla ukudlula loya ushilo wathi if ngihlulekile mina ngale meeting pheyo yes ngicela ukumupha khona umuntu engimaziyo omkhulu ukudlula mina ozongisiza ngoba nami ngiyangisiza wafika ke wangibopha intambo nani so sengiyabuyela back mangibuyela back ngathi manje angisathinteki ke ngibona ngakhona ngathi hayi manje mangithi angithinte ngichaza ukuthi ngathi bona sebangisaba ekhaya umama nosisi sebangisaba kanjani manje sengichazela ukuthi baba like le mithi yakhe kuphi sibafuna le mithi yabona ngale ndlela ugogo uthe le mithi yami ngimele ngifihle manje because lento yenzakala iqala kanje ade senze kanjani nginemithi so sengiyabuyela senginale mithi manje ngibophena le ntambo ngibophile nje bakubopha intambo bayaqiniseka kusho bayakufemba lapha ya maka ngisekunomuntu ngifembile wakhuluma izinto hayi ngibuyela ngathi sengifight ke but kwazi njengoba ugogo seke ngisentweni besithuma ngibuyele ekhaya kubelene ekhaya kwami ngibuya ngumuntu oright ngibuyele esikoleni futhi for 2 days after 2 days imithi yami ayikho vele ilahlekile mangifika esikolweni ngihambe nayo ekhaya mase ngifika esikoleni angisayiboni yonke into selahlekile yona le ngibuye nayo kagogo sengisele nje ngentambo kuphela nale ntambo iyangisinda it's fine ngiyahlala esikolweni after 2 days ukuthiwe ekhaya kunomsebenzi umsebenzi wokubonga ilitshe lifake nini ilitshe likabani kanjani hayi kube nezitori eziningi but kwazi kuthiwe umsebenzi wokubonga ilitshe umsebenzi wokubonga ukuthi ubaba usindile ngoba bekagula phethwe inyawo umsebenzi wokuthi usisi ubonga amadlozi ngibuza ugogo mina ngifuna ukuthi uyazi gogo ukuthi umsebenzi wami lo wenzakalayo uthi hayi naye angazi ngibizwe manje bathi umsebenzi kusasa kusho but kwazi sibizwa mina nje ngibizwa kuyisathane bathi umsebenzi Sunday kusho nje noma ngisho ukuthi sibizwa kuyisathane umsebenzi Sunday ugogo nasifonele Friday uthi hayi nama ngifonele esithubeni angazi ukuthi umsebenzi wami bathi kuyaphuthuma umsebenzi lo ngaleso sikhathi umsebenzi ophuthumayo okay it's fine siya emsebenzini but kwazi wayenzeka umsebenzi kwafika vele kuhlatshwe izinkukhu angazi baba uthe izinkukhu mina nje phela sizohamba phela masiceda ukwenza le misebenzi sihambe sethuneni ngoba mina ngazi umsebenzi wethuna hayi masifika lapho endabeni nomsebenzi kuyenzeke lokho ke but kwazi siyafika kunoyini umqombothi kuyenziwa siyakhuluma ikamakeni bathi sihambe siye ngasentabeni siyowenza khona ngofika ukukhuluma zonke ifiso zakho khona awubheke emuva bheka phambili awubheke abuyele emuva nje uhamba usobheke phambili ngahamba siyaqeda umsebenzi kusho angithi njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngihambe Saturday kuzoba kuumsebenzi kuyiSunday and they know me one thing they know about me iSunday mina angicompromise ngeSunday ngenkonzweni but bengathandanga ukuthi umsebenzi mawenziwe ngeSunday but because nisho njalo nenibadala ngizonilalela mina it's fine Sunday kuyenziwe lo msebenzi kumele Monday ngibuyela esikolweni ngo-attenda ngifuna ukuhamba le Sunday after umsebenzi bathi no after umsebenzi akuhanjwa kuyalalwa uzohamba ekuseni Monday kahle it's fine leyo Monday but kwazi angifuna kusho ke ngithi angifikanga nokufika esikoleni nje ngihlika nje ebhasini nje ngiceda ukufika nje kule ndawo engihlala ngakuyo bengathi ngihanjelwa yingcondo ngathi ngigijinyiswa yilwane ngathi ngigijinyiswa izinto saqala lapho ke isisu ngabe sengiyagijima ke sengiqala sengicela indawo
toilet
but I'm like hayi mhlambe le yanyama ngidlile angithi umsebenzini yes ayile yanyama uyidlile ngaze ngayifika eRomini lobo busuku ngithe mangifika nje bathi sicela kusasa ubuyele back we cannot awuchintshanga wena
kuwese ke manje
after lo yamsebenzi it became worse it became worse than before so hey because ngiyadideka amampela nje ngiyadideka ukuthi ngingachaza ngithini ngithe after lo msebenzi it became worse than before niyenze ilije navala lapha ethuneni lewele I didn't know aningitshelanga ngazi I thought nami ne-input but kusho kuye ngokuthi unemali it was not about input yakho bengadingakala input yami so kwabuya kimi ngithe ngifika kulobo busuku lobo yazi ngimamela intshumayelo it's just a coincidence ngoba le ntshumayelo ngazi ukuthi ithini but ke ubabugumbi la ukhuluma ngokuthi yazi makugangwe ethuneni indaba enzima kabi leyo ithuna akusinda ukudlalela kuyo yabuya ingqondo yami ukuthi ethuneni ngiqhamile mina kulela thuna kulela thuna mina ngishiye stock sweet sam lesi besinamathi wami kulela thuna kulo yanyaka u2021 this is the year that I'm facing the most I've never faced before I'm like no man mara now uyabona ingqondo zibuya zonke ukuthi there's no way this thing has something to do with lento eqale uyenze unyaka mawuqala okay because njengoba ngisho ukuthi mangifika esikolweni njengoba ngithi sikubuya emsebenzini bathi sisi you cannot wena ayikabi asiqoshi siyazi simele ufunde but ngcono uhamba uyohlala kuma babizana ama resident outside accommodation nani lana abantu ama students they no longer feel safe around wena because bathi kuningi nje okwenzayo wena yabona because nje nabo kusho sebathukile ukuthi kahle ubonani lo it's fine but kwazi njengoba ngisho ukuthi they cannot ngiyabuyela ekhaya ekubelene kwami ekhaya kusho sengisa ithi ngiyophumula kancane ngizoya eclinic eclinic makuzoyiwa ne kusho eclinic now we're trying another route ukuthi sibheke in medical ukuthi bathini ke ngendlela yabo doctor again kwami eclinic usisi uyaforce ukuthi I need to go with umama mele umkhaphe kusena ahambe nawe I'm like no mina ngight because angithi mina ngithemba nobaba ngithi cha makumele ngihambe nomama kusho nobaba uzohamba nami ke bazohamba nami boyi2
siyabasolana ukuthi khona abayenzayo labantu abawu2
sengiyabasola already because angithi but kwazi sengingasho ukuthi sile ku ugogo sebasho straight lapha angithi sekwabantu abayi2 abakhuluma same thing
ukuthi inkingi
isekhaya lo webisithu lo wangibopha intambo ugogo angise washo straight ke wathi umama nosisi wathi omgadla kakhulu ulo omncane lo omdala uyamlekelela kodwa lo namandla ulo omncane usisi wakhe wakubo lokho ukusho before azofemba I think mabafemba angina experience kodwa ngathi uyafeinta then lo muntu uyakhuluma abantu abakwazi ukuzwa ilabantu abahamba nawe yebo ngathi bekugogo nogogo omncane yes so kusho bazizwe zonke ezidlule zami kusho mina information yami iphelele lapha ukuthi ekhaya onamandla ulomncane omdala uyamlekelela iphelele lapho then kusho waqhubeka
ukuthi umuntu okulimaza kakhulu usisi
yes kusho umama uyasiza basiza khona okay but kwazi njengoba ngisho ke ugcine Nkosi yami
ugcinela usuthi khona ke manje uma ufuna ukuphelezela kanti wena ufuna uthemba baba
yes ukuthi e-clinic now we're trying the medical route ukuthi bathini e-clinic so usisatha vele akekho right abantu into esizozenziwa abantu abangekho right abantu abahlanyayo now iyabuya ingqondo yami ukuthi no man she once said something ukuthi ngiphuphe uhlanya why into yakhe it comes to manifestation because eBhayibhelini sithi into mase siyiphuphile mayingaba angimelanga yenzeke we are able to ukuthi sikhulekele sinqandi ingayenzeki so why lento ayikhuluma kumele yenzeke so I'm trying to calculate ukuthi no man there's no way but ngingayithatheli lapho njengoba ngisho ukuthi because I was praying I've never prayed like that empilweni yami since ngina 2020 ngina 21 ngaleso sikhathi but ke ukholo lwami I think strengthened lakhula kakhulu ke kuleso sikhathi leyo season it fine ngiyakhuleka kumele kuhanjwe ke kiwe e-clinic ekseni ngiphashwe uthi akekho right uyagula sisi ubhizicezela ukuthi uyagula akekho right siyahamba se-clinic ekufikeni kwethe clinic udoctor ufuna ukuchazelwa ukuthi kenzakalani now baba uthi hayi yena uzoma ngaphandle baba vele umuntu onamahloni athi hayi ngeke ngingene nani uzongena umama like mina ngilolu ukuthi baba ngifuna wena ube khona because I know baba medically ubaba nje umuntu ohlakaniphe kakhulu nje ubukhali kakhulu hayi ukuthi mama akekho ubukhali but ubaba ubukhali kakhulu yes uyalandelela izinto ubaba yes so I'm like okay ngiyangena engeneni kwami ubaba akasekho manje besihamba soyithuna ubaba ngisambona ukuthi ume ngaku it's fine ngoba sesiphakathi vele kumele singene siye udoctor achaze abuthi sikenzakalani umama ufuna ukukhuluma ukuthi hayi akekho right ahlanya si doctor ini athi udoctor knows mama le ntombazana ina 21 that means she can speak for herself ngicela ukumjaja mina ukuthi uyahlanya azikhulumele angibuza ukuthi kenzakalani umshothi no lento icale esikolweni angikwazi ukulala athi ugcineni ukudla ngimtshela ukuthi angidli ukulala ngithi kunzima nokulala because ngibona nani athi okay na akadili ngaloko uzongithumela komunye udoctor udila nge-psychiatric into ezinjalo nje ezabo depression abo bipolar abona zonke into abuyenza yathi angithumele kuye mangifika kuye ngithola lo doctor lohleli namakula abo doctor ababelungu yes beyinhlobonhlobo sifike lapho babuza ukuthi kenzakalani ngibe nenhlanhla nje ngibizwa uye uthi mama maqhaza ukuthi kenzakalani uthi umama ufuna ukuchaza ukuthi ayathi mama ngicela azikhulumele umama ufuna ukuchaza labo ukuthi ngiyahlanya wathi umama udoctor azi ngiyambona akekho right ngicela okwamanje because azi mina ngifila ngathi wena mama uyamkhulumela nje uyakwazi ukuzikhulumela usisi obuna 21 ngicela mina mama makabuya usisi manje abuya ahamba i1 washo njalo udoctor ngibuya ahamba i1 mina manje ngisithi ngizophuma amapilisi okulala kuphela uzophuma amapilisi okulala and then uzobuya Monday ekubuyeni kwami ke ngaye ekhaya ekufikeni kwami ekhaya usisi sengena inyango athi mama bathini basahlanya bathini bazomjova umjova kusho there's a injection if uyayazi ke bukwazi lapho ubona ngasekahlanya kamampela umuntu usikama ngathi irobot with grace angiphiwanga next ke mina kusho ngiphiwe nje amapilisi okulala kuphela kubamangaze ukuthi angiphiwanga lutho vele kubamangaze ukuthi abamphanga next nje kusho sambele mahala is fine silade lobo busuku lobo ke bukwazi ekulalelwa lobo busuku lobo sengithukile vele ukuthi kahle why kugcizelwa le ndaba yokuhlanya la ekhaya nami ukuthi mina ngiyahlanya ngingakwazi ukulala ngihambe no singalala ngithi ngibuye eclinic njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngibuye eclinic manje ekseni kusho sibuye kusima boma 10:11 ngivuke lelo langa mani ngisuke lapho angithi mama sekahambile ke sekabuyele ekuthengiseni ngisho sengisele nosisi because there's a teacher engimthembayo e-high school engifunde kuyiseduze hambe ngomxoxelo mema uthi hayi mama mazi kunesimo esiso ekhaya because umema yasazi ke isimo sasekhaya because wathi bhuti kwazi ngiceda esikolweni 2018 I was supposed ukuthi e-University of Free State wathi sisingeke aye lapho ukude lapho uzozibusa ningavumini ngeke inananani yabona ubaba kumele akhiphe imalini zakhe abanye abomembaze baba like no because siyamazi Fortunate sizohlanganisa athi sizokuhlanganisela imali Fortunate uzoya lapho mawuhambe kahle uhambe kahle ukuthi uyibhadala nini sizobona ngawe yabona mawuphatha kahle futhi esikoleni you won't even paid but mawuziphatha yabona bazinikela nje basho kanjalo
ukuthi wena hamba esikoleni
yes hamba esikoleni bakhuluma nobabami ukuthi cha sizomupha imali Fortunate uzoya esikoleni so lo meme lo bekumeme ngimthembayo sengisho ukuthi for me to go ukuthi hambe ngiyoconfide ukuthi kuyenzakalani ekhaya I felt ngaleso sikhathi endaweni uye umuntu ongathi ngaya kuye because nanga ugogo ukhona but ukude ngitshela ngemsime kunesimo so yakhumbula ekhaya bekuso manje kunesimo so wangitshela ngem ukuthi cha Fortunate mina ngicabanga ukuthi thandaza sebenzisa usawodi yonke lento enzakalayo yenza ngathi awuyiboni wena khona manje phikelela nje ukuthi uyafunda uqeda ngithi akusafunde khona esikoleni wathi hamba ke uyohlala kagogo take a break for isikoleni nje ubone you won't make it ay ngabona ukuthi imemu ngibhiseluleke but hey ngibhiseluleke sibhlungu mina ngiyekele esikoleni isimo sinzima leso it's fine
asithanda isikole
ayasithanda isikole kakhulu ngiyabuyela ekhaya ke Bhutikwazi ngishasho ukuthi ilelo langa esibuya ngalo eclinic masibuyela ekhaya lobo busuku lobo Bhutikwazi baziwa yimi futhi sithe mase lizoshona ilanga sengiyasaba futhi ukubuyela khona ekhaya sengithukile Bhutikwazi sengisaba wona amanzi wasempompini ukwavula khona la ekhaya ngizwa ngathi khona into ezongiluma khona la ekhaya zona impahla zami sengithatha zona impahla zami sengifuna ukuhamba ngathi manje khona umunye mama futhi wasenkonzweni ngimaziyo othandazayo mama wasendaweni futhi inclose nayo uyangithanda ke naye ngoba beyangikhulisa noma ngisesikoleni ngihlekelwa ile yes so ngiyakuye ngimthethe hey mama kenzakala so waba like hey lento yakho sekukudala ubhizi ukukhuluma ngayo today njengomzali ngicabanga ukuphakama athi uzophuma nomntwana wakhe ke wavelelwa inkinga eChifani yami nobaba wakhona manje baba wakhona ngathi bese kaphumile ubaba wathi cha sho bazophuma ke bayithuna nendodana baye ekhaya ekithi bayo addressa lesimo because there's no way manje ukuthi mina sengizosaba ekhaya abazali kumele bangiphakamele bese kasho njalo manje ukuthi ngiyobatshela ukuthi kumele bakuphakamele there's no way ukuthi isimo singabhizi sichubeka under their watch and they're not doing anything and bakhona boyithu and bayaphila washo kanjalo ke umama abengikhapha ke imali shona ilanga ngithi ngihlele lapho Bhutikwazi before zongikhapha ngiphupha ngathi ngigubhelwa umgodi
uhleli awulele
angidalanga ngihleli khona lapho ekhaya kumama kumele umama ukuthi azongikhapha usho usasebhizi ngasamething kumele ukuthi azongikhapha ngathi bekaphumile washo ukuthi nomtshela ukuthi alinde lapho ngiyeza ngisendleleni futhi uhamba naye ufonela izingane zakhe ngihle lapho ngizwa ngathi ngiphupha umgodi ugujwa umgodi ubaba ngathi uyogubha umgodi ubhelwa mina manje sengiyakhala ngiyakhihla isililo la endlini sengiyathuliswa ukuthi ngibonani ngithi ubaba uyashona ngiphupha ngathi ubaba uyashona kwaphuma ke lapho Bhutikwazi saye ekhaya this day is the day that I saw ukuthi all along whatever that has been happening you are the person behind it usisi sithe masifika ke ekhaya siyafika ke kumele kukhulunywe le ndaba ngithi mama sesidlela lapha phansi nabazali bakhona bayithuna babuyile umama ubuyile ekuthengiseni babukhona ngifika nomama sihlala phansi ukuthi hayi bantu abadala ngize la cha kuzange kwabanzima ukuthi umama afike because bake bakhonza bonke nomama aqala ezayona kwenye branch so bekulula nje ukuthi angakhuluma interact nabo washo ukuthi sinenkinga lana ngithi njengomuntu omdala ngicabanga ukuthi ithi ngiphakame because now it has been prolonging manje unyaka soyophela since boma Mays bizikhuluma into eyodwa washo ukuthi uthi uFortunate inanani ngisathi yabona usaqhaza isimo besathi naye uzoqhaza emva kwami ngiqeda uqhaza because kenzakala so bekaqhazela umama bekuhleka umama ubaba umama lo ngikhaphile nami nendodana yakhe usisi beka sedane home ngathi uyabona ukuthi ngathi sekuzokhuluma mina manje usisi waphakama edane home njengoba ngisho isidane home ingale bese kuba ikhishi bese kuba ikamera lethu kusho you need to pass by ikitchen before uye ekamereni lethu bese ngizokhuluma ke iphathi yami ukuthi mina ngibonani kenzakalani ngichazela abantu abadala nomama khona usisi wadlula la waye ekamereni ekudluleni kwakhe ekamereni ke Bhutikwazi waphuma na something I don't know ukuthi what wenzeni uthe makazohlala la mase kumele ngikhulume ngaba ngathi ngiba numb ngavele ngathi ngishaya stroke ngathi I cannot talk I cannot say anything ngathi ngavele ngaphelwa amandla ngaba numb nje njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngaphelwa amagama kwaba njalo ke Bhutikwazi akukhulumekanga kwenzakalanga lutho kwaba yilobo busuku lobo busuku babe sebahamba bathi hayi if anipha inkinga ini ngicela ngifoneleni asho kanjalo umama angisakwazi ngikhuluma phela ngisho the part I was supposed to say sekaphuma nje ngathi yabona kusho sebakhulumile bona seba right but mina could not say my side sekukhuluma usisi yena into ayikhulumayo le side alikhuluma yena ili right kusho yena sekakhuluma in my behalf then ngicabanga ngakhona waphuma lobo busuku lobo bhuti kwazi ukuthi ngize ngibuchaze ilobusuku okenzakala khona la ngithi kwenzakala isehlo esikhulu ngibona ukuthi you are the person behind lobo busuku ngithi masicede ukukhapha umama ngithi mama uphumile kusho siyahamba simkhapha sonke yena usho selendlini nomama ngathi usheshe wajika ngoba ngathi ukhashwe isikhathi eside yimi nobaba sayimjikela phakathi lendawo umama usheshe wajika wasana nosisi ngibuya endlini eBavini ngibendlini sifike endlini bekutini beku right eBavini kune bathroom endlini kuneyingubo ngathi zizowashwa Ngiyabona makuyisifo but kwazi endlini ngathi kubhizi endlini ngathi kenziwa ispring cleaning kuneyingubo lapha ezimanzi ezinye zisebhavini ezinye zisemshinini phezulu kwestofu kunamabhodo amakhulu kukhishwa amabhodo phezulu kwamakhabethe amakhulu kunamabhodo amakhulu kuneyipuni but because I cannot even explain what I've seen ngamehlo ami izitsha lezi amasalad bo lezi asemncwabeni ziphezulu kwamatafula ezinye ziphansi khona okuhlubiwe okuhlela lapha yana etafuleni estofini kunamabhodo iqanda ngathi liphuliwe lento bengihlezi ngibale sibonakaliso sayo iqanda ngathi liphuliwe kodwa lekeliwe nje phela lapho izinto zami zikhishwe odrobhini because I did not angikhiphanga lezo zinto mina khishwe amawatch wami adabuliwe elinye lihamba li1 phezulu kwetafula impahla zami ezinye inazi zile nje endlini sekuyi imbudane nje into ngathi kuneziphithiphithi ngathi khona into ozoyenzeka la endlini ungayiunderstand ama-curtains khona lawa abhinciwe okay but I'm trying to process everything mase sibuya ukuthi kenzakalanda endlini ngiyazama ukuthandaza ekuthandazeni kwami umoya oyingcwele mina I have to believe ukuthi umoya oyingcwele ngaye ekamareni ekufikeni kwami ekamera I don't know ukuthi yini ethe bheka phansi kombhede wami but kwazi khona amagulo esebenzisayo ke as I was saying ke ngifunde eVala was doing fashion awensimbi uthathwe ihula lensimbi ngilala ngiyi1 embhedeni wami sisulana embhedeni wakhe sihlala ekamareni elilodwa phansi kombhede kubekwe ihula so straight enyaweni zami kubekwe igqathula zami zimiswe so nginebhokisi mina ihlala igqathula zami igqathula lezo zikhishwe zimiswe so enyaweni ngasekhanda kunepeni elired elihleli so like you can illustrate ngathi umuntu wena mawuyichaza lento ukuthi ichaza ukuthini lento lena ihula igqathula ipeni libovu ngiyabuza ukuthi sisikenzakalanda athi mama uzofuna ukumbulala mina abana mina yangisukela ngisho ngisathi ufuna ungibulala ukhuluma ngani mama ngibona mina umntana wakho hayibo kenzakalanda endlini kenzakalani mama athi awuyekela abantwana bami ndibuthi awuyekela abantwana bami kusho mama ngithi mama abantwana bakho ngisumntana wakho mina athi hey umama makazokhuluma nami if like umama has to interact with me angibheke emehlweni uvela mbiza athi mama abheke yena so makayibhena yena ngathi
uyangalo mawakho
ubanga ushona phansi uphelela amandla uphelela yayibona mama mina ngumntana wakho ngenza songibhizi ngizama ukuconfront umama ukuthi kusho la ekameni sesi3 manje ubaba ungasedani ngomu ubaba ungasedani ngomu ushakanakanga ubhudi uhleli ngasekamareni I'm trying to tell you kenzakalani la endlini yini lokho engibona la mama akuseyimi usisi akuseyimi ngikhaba abantwana nani ngathi even if abantwana ezabantwana babeka exactly into imeso ipende kumele ngithole kwenye indawo cathula kwenye indawo you understand but because you cannot ubeka into exactly aligned embhedeni so I'm like sesikenzakalani ngawo but abhiza uthe but kwazi I don't even wanna lie ngize ngasibheka isikhathi ke ngaleso sikhathi mayithi 12:30 to 1 mangibheka isikhathi usho ngivele ngabamba ifoni so ngabheka isikhathi ngibhizi ngiyathandaza nje ngimina ngisakwazi ukulala phela bangiforce ukuthi kumele ulale ngithi angifuni ukulala ingqondo futhi cabanga ukuthi kusho gijima futhi ubuyele kagogo lo lapho ekseni ke but kwazi kwa wamemeza yena amagama wathi mina futhi ngisumntwana kini mina abantwana bakithi abiza abobhuti bami abiza bani wena usumntwana kithi and futhi wena ngizube yilutho that's when I took it ukuthi all along I was right and all along labantu bebazikhuluma kusho yizo lento abazikhulumile angeke ube yilutho angeke uye ndawo ngomlomo wakhe aphimisela ngathi uthini sayaqala zikhalisa akusukhala kwezinyembezi ukukhala nje kokumuntu
osikhalisa wenza cause drama
cause drama sebayeza ke wonke yini khalelani athi ngibuthi uyangiphusha wena akafuna ukulala sekabiza igama lami ukuthi mina ngifuna ukulala ngiyamphusha and stuff so they came bazama ukungilalisa ubaba bazama ukungilalisa manje sebangivisa ngamandla ukuthi ngiphuze lamapilisi lawa engiphe esibhedlela la ukulala sengithi angifuni ukulala mina futhi
kahle manje usuthatha njengohlanya manje
sengithathwa ngathi ngohlanya the way yena ekuthenga khona maka memeza Angithi ukhuluma lo kakhulumile ngithi ukuphimisile bese wazikhalisa. Ukuthi akafuna ukulala uyangiphusha ngathi like mina sengifike ngikhonto engiyenzile kuyena. Okay, now I'm watching the space ukuthi kahle kahle kenzakalani. Kukithi la. Like I'm asking myself ngisekhaya mina la. It's okay. Hey, I'm trying my best but what uthi ngakhali because yeah. I've cried isikhathi eside man so azama ukuthi inyembezi zingafiki so bazama ukungifoster vele ukuthi ngilale so kusho babiza ubhuti wami lo before mina ukuthi azongibambelela phansi ukuthi ngiphuze amapilisi and then naye sisi ufuna ukungibamba hayi noma ufuna ukungibamba usisi uzongifaka kusomapilisi emlomeni namanzi bangiphosa ngiyaforce ukuthi angifuni amapilisi ngiforce ukuthi angifuni ukulala I want to experience everything yenzakala ngifuna ukuyibona ngamehlo ami ukuthi kuyenzakalani kwenzakalani ngilola lokho mina ukuthi angafuni ukukhunyela amapilisi why kumele ngilaliswe emva kwalento ngicela ukuyibona kumele ngilaliswe what's going to happen next
futhi kahle bakuhlanyisa manje
yes what's going to happen next
bafuna uthulale ke manje
exactly.
Kahle usuthatha njengohlanya
manje busho mangicela ukulala mhlambe kukhulu kuzoyenzeka after lokulala kwami so ekhaleni kwami ngibe like papa like the only person I feel like ukuthi uzongirescue ngalesi sikhathi ubaba I was like baba like I was crying manje ukuthi ngishaya bekune chest of door phambi kwami baba like yabo kusho beyithi mhlambe inkinga encane dosanga zanga shesha phakame ukuze ubhuti icala mase kabothi ngiyamemeza washesha waphakama ukuthi kanti kenzakalani la bamtshela ukuthi bafuna uphuza amapilisi akafuna nani babuza ukuqhaza akafuna uphuza amapilisi bathi abaphuza amapilisi uDr nani ngathi baba mina ngifuni ngoba mikeni waqala sekayabavimba bonke ukuthi mangiphakame bangeke and then baba like kumele alale la bona bafutha ukuthi kumele ngilale lapha ekamereni wathi anyaka zalale mikeni akalali ke kanti nina niphethe ubuthongo bakhe nina ungivimba lapha ngoba nina ngiyagibela empedeni nilale waqala manje baba ngiphamela wathi like there is no way mikeni mayenza into afuna ukuyenza ngalesikhathi abese kangithatha baba beyalala ekamereni labo bhuti bami wathi yena anyaka zalale lo busuku wathi na angize ngilale wena uzihambulana empedeni wami mina sengizohlala ngibukela iTV because I understand ukuthi why kulusela ukuthi ulale yini lenkulu ngokulala kwakho ngaleso sikhathi isikhathi akusiyabo njengoba ngisho bese kuba ntatha kuze ngizakhuluma ngithi kuphimisa amagama sekwabo 1:30 to 12 lapho sekuyosa I think it was around 2:03 ngoba like imekeni wahlala babedanda ukumabukela indaba ngayolala lapha lala khona lapha ekamereni mangilela bukwazi ngathi ngibona isithunzi ngathi khona into ephakamayo lapha phambi kwami iphakamisa izinto ngithi ngibhekile ngathi khona into like ngathi khona isiphithiphithi nje lapha phambi kwami ngilala nje ngiyakhuleka ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami if ukushona kwami kumele ngishone kanje ngicela ungavumi
no problem
sengikhulekela kona ukuthi ngingenani ugogo makabona ukuthi ngikhulekela ugogo I don't know ukuthi why ngicabangela ugogo because ugogo kusho ugogo nabantwana abayi2 umama yi first born bese kuba mamncane I cannot say ukuthi ugogo ngikhonze njengomamncane but I think bese angisondeze njengomamncane the way bekangicheka ngakhona constantly and the way bekangiphakamela ngakhona like if bengithi nginenkinga but kwazi even if ngisesikolweni ngithi imali ayikho iphela lo kunenkinga yanani bekuphakama nathi ungawayivika ngenze liphele mntameko lokubalisa ngikhona so bengazi ukuthi okay even noma kenzakala ini ke ngoba ubaba ukhona ithi sizo experience ukuthi kenzakalani maka mhlawumbe ezakwazi ukuqhaza njengaye ugogo ke ngifisa ukuthi kube ugogo ozobona ukuthi kenzakalani njengamanje ukuthi makabone ukuthi kenzakalani ngingabi ngikhuluma indaba kuphela ngoba njalo ke but kwazi ngoba ukuthi angisalalanga phela sengiphelele ukuthi kusanini futhi ngizohamba ngibiyele kagogo kusho la kusasekhaya ikuleleni kwambelele lobusuku lonke ngithi akusase ekhaya la kusho I'm no longer have a home
so abantu abakubulalayo manje confirmed
umama nodadewethu kodwa lo uhamba phambili kusho udadewethu because yena kusho mina ndebecabangeni kwami but kwazi because ekuboneni umama currently and recently unonembeza uyashalaza makangibona I think khonto besibeka umsebenzisela yona
so inhloso bebekuhlanyisa bekwenza la
I think ukungihlanyisa ukungibulala I've got isikala but kwazi ngizobuye ngikhaze ngaso so ekenzeleni kwami ngize ngahamba vele ngaya kagogo vele ngamthi sikusebenzakala sona so that's when I decided ukuthi I'm taking a break from school bathi abantu mababuza ke ukuthi kenzakalani but kwazi ekhambeni ngami before kuhamba kwami ngikhohle ukusho bantwana ngelilanga that time ngizophuma eclinic emini mase bahlanga nami sisinebutha kanti ukhona kusho abantwana yebo ngikhona yini asisimusho bathona uthe uyahlanya usesi my sister ubatshela ukuthi mina sengiyahlanya mina mhlozi kusho abantwana ke because ngikhula ngidlalisa abantwana ngidlala ngintanga zami ngithanda nje ukudlala nabantwana bathi wena uyahlanya musikantwana right bathi wena uyahlanya how andiklini muswena awuhlanyi abantwana because people abantwana abana 7 8 9 abantwana abahlaniphile laba bayizinto oyikhulumayo okay it's fine sengibuyelile ke because njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngibuyela kagogo ngasishela from that time ukuthi kusho udoctor lo yami ngikhohlwe kusho ukuthi ngize ngabuyela kulo ya doctor esibhedlela udoctor mase sibuyela kuya ngizagumula uthe mangibuye Monday ngi1 mase ngibuyela kuye Monday ngi1 angithi sicale sabuya nabazali mase ngibuyela ngi-Monday ngi1 wangitshela wathi ukuthi ubone ukuthi ngingancedi phambi kwalama ngingancedi phambi kwalama kulabantu bokuhamba yini aba doctor laba bohlobo is because they don't believe in anything that has to do with hallucination, depression, but into ozibonayo. So automatically bazokuhlaba okuba kwamapilisi. So mina I decided ukuthi ngibize uyi1 because I see ukuthi into yakho it has nothing to do with medical into yesinto. You told me ukuthi you're doing your last year. You're supposed to be doing your last year lokugula or whatever lezo zibonayo seziyaqala approaching unyaka wakho soyophela.
Yes.
And now ekuziboneni kwakho uyasaba noke ekhaya ubike ekhaya so mina one thing I can say kuwe njengomuntu omnyama mina I'm taking my profession ngibeqeleni I'm no longer a doctor manje kuwe ngubhudi kuwe
wena ubulawela ukuthi usuzoqeda it's your last year
exactly athi wena ubulawela ukuthi usuzoqeda and it's your last year and you've been uhamba ngendlela ukaze wafela along the way so wathi ke kimi ngicela tell yourself now ukuthi I'm taking a break athi tell yourself that I'm taking a break ngiyofuna impilo yami ngiyolungisa impilo yami manje phikelela ukuthi you want your life back as education eziqede usangabuya uphinde uphikelele ilapho ngayitshela ukuthi ngizoya kagogo kusho vele impilo yami that's angithi it was easy for ukuthi the second day maqedwe kwenzakala lesehlo
uhambe uhlala
kagogo ukuthi lo doctor ushilo vele bathi there's nothing esele is for mina ukuthi ngibuyise impilo yami wathi kimthola umuntu omthembayo wathi uzokusiza ube right but into yaphinto yesinto one thing ayishilo uthi and ngibona njengoba uhamba so awuhambi one khona lo muntu ohamba naye khona umuntu owakini owasho nokinini ngathi ngine twins asile twins liyakulwela there's someone olaphambi kwakho olwela ukuthi makangakhulumela makazikhulumele that's why I had ukuthi ngithi kumama wakho angasabuyi nawe ubuyi one usikhulumele athi phikelela impilo yakho sisi impilo iza kayi1
and which means kahle babezama ukuphendula itwin lakho kube ilona lekuhlanyisayo oba befuna ukuthi
exactly lona lifuni mabasho abantu bathi because la hamba hlasencane la hamba hlasencane because ngathi beningaba unyaka or something inyaka nezinyanga so lisangithanda because angazi ngalwa nalo I'm always mina sometimes ngithi mangithenga izinto ngithenga into ezithu ezifana nje ngithi lami lethu sami I don't know ukuthi benginiswa yini kodwa bona so basho ukuthi nje lizohlezi likuthanda because kusho angazi bathi yinono yes so baba njalo ke budkwazi washo ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi you don't have anything manje kule ekhaya so kwathi kufikeni njengoba kenzakala lesehlo busuku lobo ngithi athi angeke uzube lutho nani ngavuke ekseni ngantshela ubaba ngithi baba phela ngisho ukuthi akalalanga usibonke ngaphuma njengomuntu ukuthi baba ngiqala imali ngenze assignment athi assignment yani angithi bathi ungasabuya esikoleni ngathi okay ngiyade athi usho ukuthi uzoba safe ngathi yes so kusho bekuyimfihlo between mina naye ukuthi angaba alert ukuthi ngiyahamba because kulobo busuku lobo kuseni lobo bathi I'm not supposed to go anywhere bathi makakhiyele la endlini akayindawo ke lo bathi makahlale la endlini akayindawo nimgadeni
batshela ukuthi usohlanya ke manje
nimgadeni akayindawo ngaleso sikhathi I can see everything that's going on and I can hear
and it's very sad ukuthi abantu bayitshela ukuthi uyahlanya whereas wena uyabona ukuthi
kwenzakalani exactly
and it's very difficult to explain ukuthi angihlanyi abantu bebona uhlanya
lapho mina I think ukuthi ngithi ngibona isandla sikaNkulunkulu bekumusa lo ya because they thought ukuthi angiboni kanti ngiyabona uyazi ukuthi abantu bayitshela ukuthi awuboni ukuthi kenzakalani and you can see everything and you are like really is this really happening ngiyabona but kwazi mawuthi mhlambe uthatha iThibhe kulifaka etiyeni nje ithi iyenzekile kanti alisebenzanga iThibhe I think it's the same thing ukuthi they thought isebenza into bese bayisebenza kodwa ayisebenzanga because I can see everything ukuthi nithi nizongilokhela ngala endlini like really yabona baba like akayindawo so
and sengazuthi ikhona kuhlanya ke khona lokho for the fact ukuthi unenkani and all
exactly kanti uyaphikelele ukuthi no I'm not gonna die like this baba ukuphuma kwami ke but kwazi ngitshela ubaba ithi ngithi ngicela imali yaSunbend ekuphumeni kwami futhi angiphuma njengomuntu ongizophuma vele ukuthi ngiyahamba ngiphuma nje umama ukuthi ngathi sakadliwa unembeza ukuthi okay asihambe size sisi asathambe intanami ngizokisa samoya esontweni siyaphuma masiphuma so egedini uthi hayi maka uyindawo ubuyele endlini so ngiphuma mina ngiyokumunye umama futhi okhuleka ngithi no uhlala lapha emgwaqweni ufike umxoxela ukuthi kenzakalani kahle kahle lapha endlini bafuna ukungikhela hayi utshela mama ukuthi ungamnaki mama ngiyamthatha ngimise esontweni so siphuma ngathi ngabantu abayisontweni I'm playing along ngoba ngathi ngesontweni ukuthi abone bangangivimbi endleleni ngiyabona ubhizi uhambela phambili makahambela phambili makathi yajika angibona makathi uyangibheka emva ngiyajika ngigibela itaxi ngahamba athi uyangimisa nga like ngiyahamba ngathi ukuthi I'm going ngiyakagogo but kwazi ngizigcokele nje umuntu obukuyolala nje ungagezanga ngenzanga lutho ngisho ukuthi no I'm going ngiyakagogo manje kwaba ukufika kwami kagogo ke but kwazi ngahlala so we are coming to indaba yeska sizoyenzeka ngibe nesibonakaliso kusho lelo viki ngihleli kagogo mangihleli kagogo ngihleli vele gogo sekangiqhidile futhi ungihambisile kuloya muntu owangifaka intambo futhi wangisa kuloya muntu ngasizakala futhi sengingqono kagogo ngifike vele kusho gogo ngibe ngqono kuba nesimo nje ukuthi ugogo akwazi ukusidambisa angisemntwini bese kuyalunga ngihleli kagogo ababuza ukuthi unjani umntwana ngenzakalani ugogo uyabafuna ukuthi hayibo anisacheck umntwana anisayenzini yabona it's fine siyahlala kagogo after iviki usho sengasho ukuthi ngibhokekile kagogo ngithi bengaseviki inyanga ngithi sengishiwo sengidelile esikoleni hayi
angisaqhubeki nesikole
yeah I think it was about 2 months 3 months
sekwaba on your third year
on my third year nyakugcina because I'm doing it bengenza idiploma yes so uyafika sengifona nobabuthi ngicela azoletha into zami kagogo because sengiyabhoreka kusho ngifuna ezinye impahla zami mhlambe ngizidinga ne-laptop vele all along I'm okay ubaba uyafika on a Saturday nje intambama uyafika enkonzweni all along they've been praying for me khonto abazibonayo kimi they were saying kuleyo Sunday kumele baye kakhaya kagogo bayokhuleka kusho kagogo ukukhala lenkonzo bengikhonza kuye Zion so budkwazi lapho isisu besenza besibhizi sithulula but angisinaki just nje ukudla because lapho besingayenzi every day besenza randomly
maybe
twice 3 times a week ethi hayi man kodwa inyawo lona alishintshanga nje
sesiqala manje sekukhipha manje lesisi
yes kagogo but nje mhlambe nale mithi ngithi yasebenza yes so ubaba uyafika njengoba ngisho ukuthi after inyanga nyana sengihleli kagogo sengitshela ukuthi esikoleni vele sengidelile izwa ke budkwazi abantu ekhaya abantu abasesikoleni bazi ukuthi mina angazi ukuthi ngikuphi angaziwa ukuthi ngiyephi usisi abanye batshela ukuthi mina ngisekuthwaseni angazi ngathi ngilahlekile khuleka nje ingane kwani ngazi
kwazi uthi wona walahleka
ngalahleka nje ngaziwa ukuthi ngikuphi kenzakalani nami ngisho maybe imishini bekuthi ngihlala kagogo why I don't know angazi so ubaba uyafika ke after lezo inyanga because njengoba ngithi bese right Saturday random day Saturday azofika ukuthi Sunday inkonzo njengoba ngithi bekumele beze bazokhuleka kagogo so makazofika ubaba kuyi Saturday uyafika vilifika nento zami nje ngisikhwama sami sinento zami uyafika kuba right ngiyalala lobo busuku I'm using eduku baba buye nalo ngisebenzisa laptop lobo busuku ekulaleni kwami kuthi ntatha ukuthi amasekusa ngibone ngathi ngibona isibonakaliso ngathi ugogo ufuna ukungivalela ku cage ngathi ugogo ufuna ukungibulala ngathi la endlini angisekho safe nje ngisafuna ukuhlala la endlini ngisafuna ukuthi ke kule ndlu ke manje ngivuka ekseni nje sengijahile ngithi baba sekuyi Sunday ugogo vele uyahlina mina ngumuntu ovuka kagogo nje ngincede mara lelo langa sengivuka ngithi ngicela ukukhuluma nobaba ngicela sithathe iwalk gogo athi iwalk yani nikhuluma niyi2 I'm like ngiyacela gogo siyaphuma sengitshela kubaba ukuthi azingahla ngisafeel safe nana kagogo nahla ngazi ukuthi kumele ngihlale ngoba nasekhaya sengimzokaza zonke izinto ngiyaventa kubaba nobaba ka understand ukuthi uzosizakala kuphi because mina I thought nakagogo sekungqono yabo but I felt manje ngathi kubuyele phansi ke budkwazi mina de ngibona ngakhona ekuboneni kwami bona lezi zinto ezifike nobaba setshenziwe calculator kwami kube njalo ke leyo Sunday okay Sunday it's fine ngiyazama ukuthatha long but I'm feeling strange manje ngathi gogo nasengiyamsaba manje ngathi gogo uzongibulala ngiyahamba ngesontweni Sunday ekuhambeni kwami enkonzweni Sunday they are supposed to come back manje nami ngithi njengoba ngisho ukuthi bebathe bazofika bazokhuleka nani sengiyabanqanda ke enkonzweni manje ngithi no ngicela bangazi kagogo ngicela bangizinshi sengicela ukuhlala kamfundisi manje angisafuna ukubuyela kagogo mfundisi mina ngicela ukuhlala ningihlaliseni la sengiyasaba usabani because all along you've been uhlela kagogo sebaze bayangifosta ke mfundisi bangikhapha ngemoto bangisa kagogo ngiyafika kagogo efikeni kwami kagogo ngiyahlala emva kwesikhathi ngiyahamba futhi ngenyawo mangihamba esitradeni nazi izinja zangikhonkotha hayi ngithi nje hayi into nje kanti bathi nje mayikhonkotha isuka ibika something khona umuntu baba ngimbonayo futhi ngiyambona umfundisi othandazayo budkwazi ngithanda inkonzo sho abantu abathandazayo ngibazi abafundisi abantu abathandazayo ngiyabazi kakhulu ngiyadlula ngithi hey baba yazi ngizwa ngathi ngizoshona or ngizoshona or ngizohlanya ngicela ungikhulekise usho usejardini la kwakhe mina wangibamba ngesandla wangikhulekisa ngahamba khona
awumazi lo baba
ngiyamazi mazi ukuthi usho kagogo khona lamuntu abathi inkonzo zango6 ngijolo ukwathenda lezo inkonzo zango6 so bengiya sometimes bathi ama home sale ngijolo ukwathenda ama home sale sometimes ngakho gogo bayangamandi anything that has to do with inkonzo so yes So ekuhambeni kwami so ngibuyela kuleya muzi abangikhaphe ku kamfundisi sengiyocela ukulala mina ngisafuna ukubuya abela ekhaya sisiphela ngizokwazi ukulala la kumele ubulale thina asikujwayelanga yena ugogo uzothini ngathi sikutshontshile bayaphinda bangivuyisela lobo busuku hayi ngilalanga ke because I'm fighting the whole night.
Yes.
I'm fighting the whole night sengithuswa ugogo sengithuswa ubaba angisafuna umuntu. Hey bathi athi ugogo hayi ekseni ke kusho makusamela umkhaphe umise esibhedlela ke kusho uqalele phansi ke mina ngodwa nomntana bese ka right. Kusho nje ukho umntana bese ka right angazi uqalele phi. Ekseni kwalokusa lokho. Ngithema kusa ke bhuti kwazi sengilwela ngibona ngathi ugogo makavula umnyango ngathi bekayichitha ngaphandle ibhakede ebedroom.
Yeah.
Mina ngibona ngathi ugogo ufuna ukusikhela la endlini makaphuma eminyango avala ibhadla. Ngathatha isandla sami ngashaya ifastera so.
Wasesikeka ke la.
Asengiyasikeka. Ngagijinyiswa eklinika ngagijinyiswa esibhedlela. Wathi udoctor makafika this was 1 inch so bekuzothi uzibulele intombazana lo msipha lo uthi ngisipha
okufa lo yakhoze ngiyibona ilokhuzana khona isikasa khona sikhulu.
I didn't know ke nami ngoba ngenzange science washo ukuthi umsipha nje okufa lo bazobathi uzibulele. Bebazothi ngemvelo uzibulele yena. Uzibulele nje ngishaya ifastera vele. So baba wabe udoctor bakuthi kenzakala yini wabe sekaqhaza ukuthi into icale ephi kwenzakalani. So nje ine wrap up nje budwazi yeah isisu nje azange sa
but now let's asingene esiswini ke manje isisu sikuphatha kanjani kwenzakalana indaba yakho nesisu.
Hey budwazi kusho sidele indele indaba ne because angithi sengibuyile la endabeni esika sengright sengiyaphola sengibuyele emuva isisu kusho size emva kwaloko I think sengihluleke kuko konke imizamo yenu ukuzama
ukungibulala nokungihlanyisa
sengenza ngenye indlela the way sengicalculate ngakhona seqediwe ngindaba esika sengiyabuyela emuva sengivele I've made peace ukuthi angeke ngisabuyele esikoleni unyaka vele sophelile sengibuyele ekhaya sokaboma October yes October approaching November buyele esikoleni ngikhuluma nama lecture bathi hayi vele sekulate you still young you can still make it next year buyele ekhaya hamba uphumula everything uzoba right uzobuya ngonyaka ozayo so umama kusho uyabona ngiyahlala endlini kusho ngesikhathi ngihlezi ngithukile
so subuyelile ekhaya manje
sengibuyele ekhaya ngibuya kagogo because angibuyela ngakhoba ekhaya ngoba ngiyafuna ngibuyele ekhaya because I felt like sengumthwalo kagogo gogo akashongo lutho but I felt sengathi abamsiza ugogo bangilahlela izandla nje ukuthi hayi umthathile ke uzozibona and ugogo uhola pension so I was like hayi ithini ekhaya vele ukuthi ekhaya khona ubaba khona umama angibuyelanga ngokuthanda ekhaya ngibuyele ekhaya nje ngiyathandaza ukuthi God cela uvule iminyango inkosi yami ukuthi ngiphume la ngiphume noma ungavula liphi ithuba noma ngasebenza ema kitchen ngicane njalo but kwazi noma ngasebenza ema kitchen noma ngasebenza ecash noma ngathola ubani ngathi noma nga-adopta umuntu ethi uzongihlalisa phesheya I don't care ngiyekhaya nje ngokuphelele ukuthi it's fine akusena ndaba nje as long nje
uzokwazi ukuthola ukulala ukwazi ube ngaphansi kwe-roof
ngibuyela nje ngithi as long uzothola indawo yokulala mase ngibuyele ekhaya so ungathi mama bese kabona mangisekhaya ukuthi ngihlezi ngithukile angisafeel safe angisadli bengasadli ekhaya angisadli ukulala ngilala ngehloli 1 ngilala ngiyathandaza angisalali ngaleke nosisi sengilala nomama empedeni angisalali ngale kamera nosisi ngelinye ilanga mama wavuka ekseni wathi ke sizofika endabeni esizwa ngithi budwazi wathi umama ngelinye ilanga ekseni masivuka khona sengibuya kagogo wathi ndibuza ngiqala umqolele usisi wakho bekuyiphutha ngathi uphahlukele iphutha lani mama hayi angazi ukukhuluma ngani mina angazi ukukhuluma ngani sekajaha sekayahamba aphinda busho ngelinye ilanga ngibuthi yazi empilweni amaphutha ayenzeka ukhuluma ngani mama hey angazi bekuyabona ngathi kuyenzeka aphinda phahlukele yes in records because umuntu okhulekayo I think naye nje wabanjwa yileso simo mina ngicabanga because usisi waqala business lokushonisa kuleyo minyaka business lokushonisa mhlambe bekumele uqine ngamandla omunye umuntu I don't know yes umama nje umuntu ozamayo ebusinessini kuthengiseni so I don't know nje besithini isivumelwano sabo ukuthi kuze kuvunywe ukuthi kube yini umhlatshelo exactly so ke but kwazi endabeni esisu kwathi ke makabona mama ukuthi ngihlezi ngithukile wathi ngelinye ilanga nje ine random day wathi mangiwe eSt John's mangiwe enkonzweni eSt John's ngiyothandazola nani mangizoya lapha eSt John's makumele kuphunywe kumele sihambe mama sihambeni phela uma usisi wagijima waye toilet umama wayemva kwendlu umama wayefika angaze emva kwendlu uyazinceda uyaqhama wenze number 2 I don't know mina ngiphuma ngisuka lapho ngiye ebadroom ngijinyiswa sisu sami nebadroom akufika ebadroom kuno number 2 ongaflashwanga we've got a bedroom esebenza kahle engaguli usisi oqeda ukuphuma si endlini si3 ngathi mina ngisukela kusiyimi hey yabona ukuthi there's no way uqeda ukwenza lokuya so ngiyahamba lapha St John's ke umama yangikhapha njengoba ukuthi mama bengenza into ayenza emva kwendlu usisi ungene ebadroom St John's masifika St John's ke budukwazi siyafika ngizothandaza lapha ngizosizwa mangifika khonto ayikhuluma naye into engimzwile ukuthi ngibone ukuthi okay this has something to do with them both of them wafika wathi yes ku left yes ngaku left
which means unyawo lolu
exactly ngithi ipain yaqala khona enyaweni ka left wathi yebo ngaku left so lento iqale ya progressa from ku left ngazo ngathi inyawo ngathi ngiphathwa amajaqamba ngathi angikwazi ukuhamba yabona kwakhuphuka nale inhlungu engikhuluma ngayo nalesisu asishaya yonke indawo because sishaya ku left sishaya ku left sishaya ngathi khona into ngathi nje mangilala ngesisu nje ngathi khona into ephefumula ngathi angilali nje ngesisu u left angilali ngaye ngilala ngesisu ngo left
siyaphenduka kumele
ngigijima 3 or 4 which doesn't matter ngigijima nge-toilet ngaleso sikhathi ngahlala nje ngeside ku left I have to so nje u left wami nje kufana into ingafunction nje ngiyaphikelela kodwa ngiyahamba kahle ngonyawo kodwa isisu inyawo sengaba ngqono because idala ngihamba abantu ngibahambile ke budukwazi nje maybe ngihamba abantu abayi4 bonke so I think bayakwazi ukusiza kodwa umuntu akasho ukuthi ngifinyelela la umuntu uzwenza ngathi uzokusiza yonke into
kanti ukhona la kaphelela khona
yes esiswini nje bahlulekile inyaweni awasangiphathi lobuhlungu benyawo sekusele nje isisu ukuthi lento ephefumula iyaphefumula is like a monitoring thing ngathi monitoring spirit ngoba mangizowenza into enkulu ngiyashaya ngithe nje last time ngizothenga i-fridge that was the biggest thing I've ever like ngayithenga ke ngemali enkulu like currently I think boma 6,000 or 7 yeah I think 7 ifridge mangizoyithenga la thuvalo mase kumele ngibhadale ngathi thiyekela you cannot do it mangizoyenza into enkulu if kumele ngiye endaweni enkulu la ngoma khona ngenza into like if uzoyenza into ebalekile ezonqanda sona ezoyenza ukuthi yabona ngathi angazi ngizothini into engathi izocreate stagnation ungayiphambili emala ukhona
so lento ifana njengesilwane iphenduka mase ithi hambe toilet manje ithi hambe toilet manje becala that's why ngithi mhlawumbe abantu khona labangisize khona bese nibadu cala bengenza ukuthi abantu bebangangithandi kunesidini ebantwini ukuthi umuntu nje asixabana ngawo ngazi nje kodwa nje sonolaka yes so yabona ngibantwini ngiyathandaza I've made sure ukuthi okay umuntu makangizwisisi angithethe personally ngiba like okay kusho situation yami it's fine angithatha umuntu ngenhliziyo ngibona ukuthi okay it's fine kusho khona ayibonayo mina ngiyayibona yes so abantu baba nesidina nani bangidinekele abantu umuntu nje afike nje angidwisa izila umuntu angidwisa if akangidwisi nje umuntu uzoxabana nami sibangani asibangilutho nje umuntu nje yabona so kodwa lesisu because ingivalele into eziningi because if kumele ngiphambili kuya ngathi I'm going 2 step forward 5 step backward so asike sithi kuphatha usetaxini wenza njani
yeah because I forgot to get the experience ingenze besihamba siya emsebenzini khala ngisebenza khona so now angisasebenzi so besiya ku work trips eLimpopo so sithi masingiphatha ngathi ngiyasikwa amanaliti ngathi ngisiwa ngemesa ngathi bengabamba udriver ngithi driver misa manje and besihamba ku highway so ngazama ubusy ngikhuluma nabo aba understanding ngaqala ke ngakhala manje ngikhala ngathi ngiyafa I don't know labor because I've never went to labor but it felt like ngathi ngiyasikiwa ngathi khonto ezophuma ke manje so ukuthi etaxini ngiphendula umbuzo wasetaxini I make sure ukuthi mangihamba endleleni ngidle ngiphatha amanzi ngiphatha ibanana I make sure ukuthi ngizongamane ngidle sengibuyile ngiyasaba ukudla ngisaba into engangehlekele endleleni and I make sure ke i-tissue kimi it's a need angihlezi ngine-tissue esikhwameni ngihlezi ngine-tissue nje ngamane ngabi nako konke kodwa imali ye-tissue or i-tissue
because ngibonile masisaqala ukushutha ukuthi sixoxa nje singakashuthi sixoxa nje wadinga ukuthi e-bathroom fast and futhi waphinde wabuya fast so now do you eat
ngidla kancane ngiyada but portion angidli mangidla kakhulu ngathi gqwala umoya mangadlanga futhi ngathi ngiyashake ngathi ngiyabona so I eat ngidla kancane ukudla mangidla make sure ukuthi okay 2 hours 3 hours nasemsebenzini bangazi nje ngingadla kayi4 ngelanga
like a person okay aphathwe isisu like a normal person onokugula aphathwe isisu sometimes mase sikuphathe kakhulu silokhu sikhipha isisu unumber 2 wakho ugcina kuba amanzi ubona ukuthi ayingeke angisakaki zona manje now this is no longer food but it's something ukuthi lesisu nje siyangidonsa or ngcolile or something Now let's take a situation yakhe sibeke umbukele ekhaya. Your situation ukuthi isisu siphatha now and again, sikhipha now and again since which year?
Kusho lento intango 2021 kodwa kusho beyiza kancane iqale ngamandla ke mayithi because ngikhumbula emsebenzini ngiqala ukusebenza ngo2023
from 2023
siqale ngamandla lapho because now I have ukuthi ngikubo doctor manje I've went to abo doctor bahlukile I've went to abo doctor private doctor public doctor they don't say anything bakuphamanisa iboyithi kube ngathi kuyabohla ngaleso sikhathi phinde iqalele phansi and njengoba uqhaza ke but kwazi akusu number 2 lo amakake sojwayela ukuthi aqinile amanzi I make sure ukuthi I'm always dehydrated ngiphuza amanzi ngiphuza amanzi ngihlezi nginesweet inyane esikhwameni ngihlezi nginebanana ukuthi ngathi mangiqeda ukukhishwela something ngabi nalutho esiswini yes so amanzi kuba kukancane la ukuthi kuba khona
ubona ukuthi number
2 normally kukancane isikhathi esiningi amanzi so I make sure ukuthi ngihlezi nje ngina something esikhwameni because ngiwake ngumuntu wedrip sengayijwayela nje sekuyinto normal kimi drip
to isibedlela bekufaka idrip
cha ngiyazenzela ekhaya ngiyazenzela amanzi nedrip sengiyazi nje ukuthi okay edazini kusho idrip ngizoyenza so
uyayiphuza noma uyijova
ngiyayiphuza amanzi wedrip for ukumisa leso sisu ngaleso sikhathi naye kusho seyize yakhathala ngoba ngesikhathi yasebenza isikhathi akusebenzi omunye nje emsebenzini waze wangipha colleague yami ngipha iremedy ukuthi no amanzi nevinegar yasebenza nawo so I'm like into ezinto zizongilimaza mangibhizi ngisebenzisa into eyi-1 isikhathi
eside uba nama-ulcer
yes because amanzi ne2 spoon of vinegar nawo so ngiphila ngaloko nje i-drip i-vinegar ukudla ngiyathenga ukudla kodwa akungeni ukudla ngidla nje kancane because ukuthi nami ngibukeke ngumuntu ngiphila ngingabukeki ngamathambo kodwa ukudla nje ngiyaphikelela vele ngiyaphikelela nje akudleki nje okunye nje inyama inkomo ngidla inyama enegazi senginganothisa kakhulu ukuthi every time ngiceda ukudla beef stew singiphatha kakhulu beef stew iqanda ngaleke ukulidla after lento ngayibona iqanda ukuthi manje angiqeda ukubona iqanda ngabona le ndaba iqanda ukuthi mhlambe nayichaza something nalokuthi ngeke ngahlala isikhathi eside ngingaphuphi mangisekhaya kodwa mangikwenye indawo ngiyaphupha so I'm like kusho iqanda mangileke mhlambe nayo ina something that is so i-beef iqanda ngilidli i-chicken eboiliwe ngidla i-chicken efayiwe so I make sure ukuthi igazi enyameni angiliboni kahle
because siphenduka manje
yes siphenduka manje anytime siyaqala so
in a space of a day we are once twice
in a space of a day 5 times 6 times
ukhishwa isisu
every day I've ukuthi ngiphokophele nje ukuthi ngihleli kahle angidlanga kakhulu angidlanga kancane make sure ukuthi ngingadli kakhulu so sengiphila ngamanzi kakhulu ke if ngiphuze amanzi kakhulu ngadlanga kakhulu at least ngiyaka i3 okay 2 but usually 3 so nje yileyo mpilo nje ngiphilayo ukuthi lento le mangibona mina esisu dasayibuye lapho ukuthi maybe they were trying ukuthi benze lo abakwenza kangaba bathi asimlaye ngesisu because bechaza ukuthini ukuthi uye toilet ungaflashanga ushiye lapha bese uyaphika umama ayemva kwendlu ayozinceda phansi khona ibadroom endeni bonke ngikwazi ukulinda belingekho ibhakede ukuthi bonke azinceda ebhakedeni umuntu omdala uziyoyenza ngaphandle giving signal something and then makafika lapha makuzothiwa uleft bechaza ukuthini uleft yenzani because uleft nami la kwaqala khona inkinga zami kuyo left so into ebhudukwazi ngenza ukuthi ngiphakame kakhulu ukuthi I've tried reaching out I don't know la sisingamfonela 2 times minyaka since akayiphendula icall yami because mhlambe na udliwa ukuthi awandifuna ukuthini umama every time ngithi ngiyamkhumbuza ukuthi mina ngikhuluma into zakudala ngiphumile kuzo hayike kusho usumntwana nami so if uzongithusa ngikuthi ngisumntwana nakho because you don't want to address the situation it's not gonna work with me
ubusisi nje sihlala ekhaya
usisi uhlala khona wewe farm kodwa kwenye indawo qashile akasahlala ekhaya waphuma ekhaya ngathi ukhishwa yimi because ngoba asizwani nani like not no uphuma because uyazi ukuthi wenzeni yes you are trying to ukubalekela indaba yes and then ugogo le ndaba akazamanga uzaddress okungizisa ubhlungu gogo ukuthi uyazama ugogo has been trying ukuthi azame ukulungisa ekhaya but kuba ngathi kuyabona 2 against 1 there's no way vele ukuthi ungalungisa i1 there's no way ugogo uyazama ukuthi alungise because uyazazi zonke into mazenzeka ngithe ngiyamkhumbuza ukuthi gogo akhumula kwenza la nani wathi hey into zakudala ngisikhohliwe I don't think ukuthi ukhohliwe uzama ukuvikela ingane yakhe naye okuma wami yes
so now isizathu esikhulu nosizo olukhulu lidingayo iluphi usizo lidingayo udinga usizo lokulapheka ngokwesise esikuphathayo singame ikuphi la ubona khona inkinga enkulu kakhulu? Are you still willing to go back esikoleni? What's happening?
Yeah, but because ngisithanda isikolo. Ngaceda esikoleni. Kodwa you won't believe it ke because uthe onyaka nami oqeda isikole sengiqedile esikoleni, and I even regret ke ukuthi ngabatshelelani because they were supposed ukuthi ngigraduate esikoleni. Yazi abantu mina bangihambela nje phambili nje abantu bokuhamba. Mina ihlobo enginazo abantu bokuhamba for me ukuthi ngigraduate. Kuthe ngale langa kumele so graduate ngalo. They said umama kana phone in nani anye ngiyabona anyeke asikwazi ukutholana. I was supposed kusho mina umuntu bengumdinga kahle for my graduation. It was my father, not my mother. Yeah. But I cannot reach ubaba without mama because ubaba kana phone. Yes. So ngicine ngasakwazi ngigraduate. Ngafaka iphukaphuka ngaba everything ngafika, but ngafika sekulate. Something delayed me ngefone. Wafona usisa ngazi bekakhuluma umama uyeza nani. I feel like hi, there's something that happened there because everything was in order. Makeup done, impahla zenziwe. Yabo must something nje emoyeni. Yes, ngigcine ngasagraduate stage. But leyo langa I made it ukuthi ngifike khona esikoleni.
But you never went to stage.
Never went to stage. I've never got my certificate. Angina certificate. Ngigraduate nje ukuthi ngiqedile. Certificate wathi uma sengimene ngisithole hayi sisi business fast wathini but everything angazi ngafeni kolotune fast angazi ngafeni it's 22,000 something. Okay. Yes, so I think mina accommodation ngicabanga leyo futhi angicabanga ukuthi but I'm not sure ke ngoba mawubheka lapha ayibhali kahle. So kodwa isikolo ngiyafisa uqhubeka because ngiyathanda nje kakhulu isikolo. Ngiyafisa uqhubeka esikoleni, ngiyafisa futhi ukusebenza, like I'm a hard worker. I'm free to anything. Yonke into njengoba ngisho because eqaleni mangiyenza ngiyayenzisisa. I'm dedicated. Dedicated, and then endabeni esisu ngiyafisa nje babukele emakhaya nawo bodikwazi ukusiza ngesisu. Ngimamele istory sa sisinokuthula. Oh, kusimamela kwami I was so emotional for a week. But I was like, "Hey, marazi sidlule intweni." Okay, then kwaba ngcono. Ngithe mangiqeda ngimamela istory sa sithandeka. I cried the whole night. Into yangiphamisa kakhulu. Wathi ke but no, you cannot ukuthi every time story mosimamela siyakutriggerisha. Usho you are still going lapho and awukakolapheki. Usazolimala because awukakolapheki. So istory saka sisithandeka singtrigger kakhulu mangiqeda umamela saka sisinokuthula. Makasho sisithandeka ukuthi after lo yamsebenze ekhaya.
Owenziwe ekhaya.
Yes, because usithandeka wathi lo after lo yamsebenze ekhaya. Because nama I felt after lo yamsebenze because indaba yelitshe singayibona. After lo yamsebenze ngathi kwavele kwehlo okukhulu ukudlula lo ya okwelitshe. Yes, so isisu kakhulu because I'm living in fear. Angifuni ukutshela amaphosisi angazi siyoqala nini usemsebenzini uthukile. Ngiyasaba ukuvashela abantu nje honestly angivashela abantu because angifuni ukuba umthwalo.
Phatha su phansi phezulu bathroom.
Kancane ngicela itissue lapho. Okay, itissue sengimeka sure ukuthi nginayo mara kancane wena uyisiphithiphithi. Kancane hayi mina ngingaphakeli lokho. Hayi mina lokho angikudli. Hayi mina. So I make sure ukuthi ngivele ngihleli ngiyi-one. So umuntu manje nje anginabangani. Anginabangani but as I'm saying ukuthi hayi uNkulunkulu ube nami. uNkulunkulu uyama nomuntu but kwazi ngiyakholelwa kakhulu uNkulunkulu uyama nomuntu. Abantu abangiphilela abantu bokuhamba nabantu basenkonzweni. Umfundisi wami ugijimile nami ke 2024 wonke. Sihamba sifuna usizo. Siyale. Umfundisi wase Orange Farm. Enkonzweni la ngikhonza khona ekhaya. Agcina mthi yazi kahle mfundisi ngisathanda ukuze esontweni because angimthandi ukubona umama. Ngizwisa ubuhlungu because ngilesimo inqa yabo and now mangibhizi ngibabona ngiyathunukala. Yes, but he tried his best ukungisiza. Yeah, abantu bazama but kwazi ukuthi hayi endaweni so but I'm like kunzima. I'm busy spending money njengoba ngisho anginamali ngiyazama la ngizama khona. Njengoba ngisebenza ngisasebenza. Le khona lencane ngoba ngine license manje anginayo license. Uyahlanganisa usasevile kumele ubuyele emuva futhi anyeke vele ngike phambili health yami inenkinga. Ngiyazama ukuthi hayi ngizothenga indawo kuphi uthi utholile indawo kumele ubuyele emuva futhi uthi phela nginenkinga vele ngenze ngiqhubekele phambili ngisanenkinga la. So ngiyazama but kwazi kunzima because ngisho ukuthi kunzima ukuthi ngiyemntwini without referral. At least umuntu othi ngisizwe umuntu oso. Yes. So ngamthola umuntu othi ngisizwe umuntu oso mase kumele sixhumane ngeSwazini nani wathi hayi ama number ngwabona nani. I've spent almost quasi 15,000 upwards
situation yakho esizwe.
Yes, ngibambile nje abantu abayi4 to 5 ngiyale. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu uzosho ukuthi mina ngakwazi ukusiza kodwa akasho ukuthi mina ngifikelela la. Because bathi abashoyo maybe ezokuhamba ilwano yini but yeah.
I don't think it's numbers. I think kuneyilwane ifakiwe or something and
yes, because now ngiphila ngefear but kwazi ngiyasaba ngihlenze lento iyangizwa Be like hayi mina ngumuntu kaNkulunkulu angisumuntu womuntu. Yabona ngizame nje ukuthi noma kuyini enzakalayo nje ngenza ngathi ayisizwa. Ngize ngisizwe mase ngiyi-1 futhi ngincedwa kuba busy. Bengincedwa kube emsebenzini. Njengoba kuvaliwe manje, it's a hell because mawuhleli uze ucabanga lento ukuthi iyenzani. Kenzakalani. Futhi the moment ngiluza emzimbeni ngiyathuka kakhulu manje clinic ibusy I'm losing from this weight to this weight nje last being 65 yathi 62.5 I was like
but you still look good because right
ngiyaphikelela because ngiyaphikelela nje because ngiyazama ukuthi ngidle ngiyaphikelela ukuthi angeke ngize ngibuswe yinto yasemhlabeni ke mina yebo because isisu kakhulu isisu namantoho because kunzima nje ukuthi
ungafuna njani umsebenzi with like kwamina I don't even travel mangizazi ukuthi ngiphethe isisu
exactly unzima khona emsebenzini ukuthi ngibe nentandla nje ukuthi emsebenzini bese bangizwisisa ukuthi hayi singicalile fortunate isisu okay bengeke bathi phangisa la ngisebenza khona was doing fashion design boutique so siyathunga so ngibe nenhlanhla ukuthi naye umlungu wami uyakholwa umuntu ounderstandayo ukuthi isimo mase sikwehlele
so kumele uphuthume toilet kumele
uyabekezela isimcalile akangiphushi ngamandla
ukuthi so uqedwa yini lo msebenzi uphele why
they are relocating to Mpumalanga so it's a strain for me because Mpumalanga akekho umuntu ozongisiza ngale vikelo lesehlo so yiyo nje into engisaba nako konke because at least la ubaba useduze gogo sebhinoni seKingsway nehlobo esithembisa so ngizovelelwa isehlo bale kude emakhaya
but manje uzosiphilisa kanjani
hey because yiyo futhi inkinga le ngizoziphilisa kanjani kodwa ngisanalesisu impilo yami I feel like strained ngiboshelwe vele because lapho kuyiwa khona kusemakhaya so iyobanzima kakhulu at least lana kunesibhedlela eduze kuneclinic okwazi ukubokha ngeclinic so lapha I will need imali ngihlezi and kunzima ke emsebenzini asina day off
yes
anye kuzo uthi ngamhlanje ngiqola ukulova ngesibhedlela uyaphikelela uye khona emsebenzini siyangibamba nje ngesikhathi ngibona ukuthi namhlanje ngiyadodosa but ngidodoswa ngoba ngifuna imali mantende mina ngibhadala irent
so there was a situation where you end up toilet igazi
amanye amalanga not often maybe in a year maybe I 3-4 kancane uthuke nje uthi mhlawumbe ibhetrodi ngizama ukuthi ngiyayiqabangeli kakhulu uyesibhedlela futhi isibhedlela nothing.
Are you still comfortable? Everything is okay physically now. Like I mean, your because mokisho isisu uyazi ukuthi ubabhlungu ngemumva toilet paper yahaya all those things and mina for like 3 days besides isisu so sengizwe ukuthi nangemumva now discomfort is too much. So is there anything oyitholayo to help you with the comfort and making sure ukuthi mhlawumbe unazi ilonda all those things?
Because ngisizwa amanzi ngifuna nje ukuphothisa iqolo nje libhlungu nje this side bese bangithi this side ngiyithatha nje ngeside engasasebenzi nje singaphikelela because no one can see inkinga zami ngihamba emgwaqweni ukuthi lo unenkinga ngiyaphikelela ngathi nothing is happening but u-left nje iqolo lami nje the side kubhlungu nje angikwazi ukuhlala ngizothini angeke ngihlale so ngirelax chill it's like ngathi khonto ngizifuna ukuzenzela yona ngifuna ukuzibangela inkinga hlala uqonde straight ubalance ngahlala ngifuna ukurelax ngenze ngathi ngifuna ukuenjoya ngizozibizela inkinga mina ngokwami nje khona ukuzoyenzeka so emuva nje nginceda ukuthi ngiphuza amanzi ngihlezi njengoba ngithi ngihlezi nginokudla I make sure ukuthi mangiqeda ukuya toilet ngithola amandla.
So you use amanzi most endlini especially
umdoko endlini mangise ekhambeni amanzi nebanana mangisendlini ngihlezi nginomdoko amabele umdoko amabele umdoko we-Future Life umdoko wempuphu ngihlezi nje make sure ukuthi ukhona omningi uhlezi nasefridge for ukuthi I make sure ukuthi noma senganamandla okudla at least ngiyakwazi ukuphuza ngizogqwalisa ishukela ukuthi kube manzi ngikwazi ukuphuza ukuthi ngibe namandla because I feel like I've got myself njengoba ngisho ukuthi njengoba ngicala ukuthi I felt ukuthi sometimes you feel you need to be selfish, choose yourself. For isikhathi eside I thought bazoyilungisa this matter abafuni. That's the ubhuti he tried reaching out but him reaching out bekuye athi lento yakho ukuthi ungazwana nasekhaya kho right so it felt ukuthi
ngathi u shift the problem later go you the problem
already so on side already kusho njengoba sizokhuluma there's no matter sizoyilungisa kuzoba you against me no.
Do they know the situation that you're facing right now?
No, they don't, because ubaba mangimchazela ngisaba okunye ilo ngikusabayo futhi okunye. Ngivele ngithi baba angikho right enyameni ngibuthakathaka ngiyagula nginenkinga. Kenzakalani? Angikho right. Angichaze exactly because I'm afraid ukuthi ngizothi ngiyakhuluma they don't know exactly. The moment they know nizogadla ngamandla ukuthi oh kanti iyasebenza lesisu sethu. So they are mysterious thinking ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe right mhlawumbe ayisebenzanga lento yethu mhlawumbe uyagula or maybe they know vele mhlawumbe lento iyabika I don't know mhlawumbe lento iyabika vele ukuthi kenzakala so I'm not sure but kimi ngiphila ngathi akenzakala lutho mangikhuluma nabo ubaba nje wazi ukuthi angikho right enyameni ukuthi yini exactly I'm afraid ukuthi egcineni bazombambela ekhoneni bese bayambuza bese ugcina sekabatshelile bese babona oh hayi kusho into ethi siyasebenza
why baba wakho ahamba eclinic unaqala before nini
ngoba beyangana phone I think wasishiya because I think isithathe isikhathi thina because ngithi besilandelana akana phone ubaba so I think if bekane phone besizomtho ukuthi sisendeleni sicela usilinde so yena wahamba before thina I'm not sure kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi sashiyana because ubaba umuntu osheshayo vele nje umuntu akamandi ukuhamba nje emall manje abuye uyashesha into mayenza yabo
but there is no explanation ukuthi why he went there first
there's no
because kwakuyi family trip in a way
I understand ke ukuthi ngaba kuyini isizathu wahamba qala wabuya qala okwenziwe ngamabomu or into ehleliwe or iphutha I'm not sure ukuthi kwenzakalani lapho nje into engayizisisanga ile yokuchama nale yestock sweet
ukuthi bekuchamisele phezulu
bekuchamiselana emva kwalapho kwafaka iTomstone ungazi mina yes
as siswami because ukula physically bengizosho makuthiwa mhlambe it's something that is mental now I feel like it's more physical and udinga usizo like literally singathandaza umthandazo yes but khona umunye umbhuti wathi singathandaza umthandazo yes but now we're dealing with a situation physical let's talk about the physical issue now so siyacela kumbukele ekhaya ukuthi in as much as ekhona ama motivation but let's go for physical situation you know empilweni ungaba nakho konke ungabi nazo inkinga noma ube nezinkinga zonke ezikhona empilweni everything hambe kahle but the moment wagula inkinga iba yodwa health so izingaba ningi inkinga uthi nenkinga ukuthi ngibe nenkinga ukuthi angisebenzi njani but the moment wagula inkinga iba yodwa health so I feel your pain ngiyabuzwa kakhulu ubuhlungu obhekene nabo and the sad part ukuthi usesemncane the nice part you still beautiful and usazinakekela and awuziyekelele omunye umuntu ubezohlala phansi with pride and say I can't go to my podcast and having to tell my story and having to expose myself with my situation having to tell about abazali bami usisibama about my family how bengenze ngakhona yonke lento le ngifisa wasiswami ukuthi yonke lento eyenzakalile ayikho ngawe it was something a man made so isenzo somuntu yabo so ungayeke ukukholelwa kakhulu uNkulunkulu ungayeke futhi ukuthemba ukuthi ekugcineni uNkulunkulu uyisolution futhi uyisisombululo kunezinye izinto that we don't invite empilweni yethu ezi ukuthi sazalelwa kuzona and you'll never kwakungekho ukuzibalekela so awusoze waqapha ukudlula ukuthi ekhaya u feel safe right now the only thing umele focus kuyona is to try in as much as you can ukuthi lonke uhlobo locingo olitholayo bethi hambe uyothola usizo endaweni ethile you go there and I'll also try and check but now the sad part ukuthi now usuzamile but ukuzama kusho ukuthi usufikile la kulunga khona as long ungakafiki la kulunga khona qhubeka ungayeki ukuzama don't ungathi mawubona mhlawumbe ukuthi ishilo kwe podcast benginethemba ukuthi kuzoshesha nakho ukuhamba kancane also understand ukuthi your situation inezilwane phakathi so into enezilwane phakathi iba slow iyadelay because bayivala bayivimba uthi izilwane ayifuni ukusizakala fast yabo sometimes umbona ukuthi umuntu uyadembesela amezelo odabeni lwakho as njengoba ushilo there was no reason for you ukuthi lokho angithetha before September and we only meet this year 2026 there was no reason so each and every time I think you remember sick book mase kumele uze we postpone mase kumele even December bekumele ufike and then we are sesivalile and sasingavalile ukuthi sivale i-show because sasiyoshootha ngako Thekwini ngo-25 24 sasishoot eThekwini for usisi lo wakwalokhuzana khula wabana sibonga yes usisilo wengane ngisikhohle isibonga because sengikhulume kakhulu I don't know angazi ngachazela kanjani but bihlezi ikhona lento yokusindana and makumele uze today bengiyilalele ngizama ukucommunicate nawe ngiyakubona ukuthi awufiki and I'm like hey azi nama ngiphumile endlini because sisakafika and I know your situation ukuthi wathi bhuti wami inkinga yamisiso and each and every time so just imagine from September sikhuluma into eyodwa till today so into eneyilwane siswami iba nama delays so ukuqaphela lokuthi even our podcast might not move the way amanye ama podcast emove ngakhona but each and every help oliqhamukayo asilithathe ngezikhali zamantungu asiphuthume silandelele beat there on kuma comments usibhekele wena ama comments if kukhona umuntu othi mina ngakusiza kube wena umuntu omlandelelayo because engayithatha even inamba yakho umfica ukuthi uyavilapha ukufonela so umbona nje ukuthi unosizo akube wona omlandelela so be the person who does the follow up the way ubwenza ngakhona kimi ungilandelele fortune kulonyaka yimini okubhalelile ngathi siswami let's go do this thing so siyabonga nje kakhulu I hope lento izolunga and I still say futhi nakuwe ukuthi umuntu ozokunceda ngosizo lesisakho ubuye kumina uthi kwazi sengisizakele I still say ukuthi umuntu ozothi uncede wena mina I'll pay that person so whoever uthena ngasiqeda lesisu siphele nyanya singaphinde sibe bikho I'll pay that person whatever lokho akazothi uyakufuna for that sis ukuthi siphela I'll pay that person or we will pay that person ngokwe podcast so whoever ongaba nayo idea ukuthi kungabe kwenzakalani ngawe nganceda kanjani will try and make sure ukuthi as long as now confirm ukuthi sengisizakele kwazi sisiphelile I'll pay for that person ukuthi sisakho singaphinde sikuphathe or athi sisiphelile and sure sithi inyanga iphelile 2 months inkinga ingekho I promise that person ozothi nje uzoza phambili ethi kwazi I can help losses will pay that person so like whoever uzokusiza will make sure ukuthi kwenzakalani phone yakho so whoever uzokusiza mina I will come forward and say I will sort out the situation so azame nje ukuthi kube khona into ozoqhamuka whoever uzoqhamuka will sort out the situation so nami ngizozama ukubabheka sichaza angekho umuntu engimazi ethi shosho wakwasiza ubani ngesisu but ngithembe yona nami podcast ukuthi whoever ngathi ngasiza ngesisu akasize njobe sesikhumbuza nje umfowethu ukuthi before sivalile sesicela ushiya inamba yakho and khula siyacela please sicela inamba uyibhale lapha ekuqaleni mayiqala nje podcast number already bhalwe because again wonke umuntu obuka podcast izofika lekugcineni so nje mayiqala podcast ibhale number so engathi sesimayibiza number ubuyibhala efonini yakho so that awulinde na ukuthi uyibuke yonke podcast so that uzokwazi ukuthi mosu edit inamba nje ekuqaleni nje ithi qala nje podcast sekune number so ungabiza inumber seswami
okay podcast inamba yami ithi 062 061 4317 the number ikhona kuma call na ku WhatsApp
yes ngiphinda futhi
062 061 4317
baphinda futhi ngegama lakho
igama lami Fortunate wakaRamoba
yes Fortunate wakaRamoba siyabonga kakhulu Fortunate siyabonga futhi nababukeli bethu emakhaya siyabonga nje ngesupport nanothanda nisiphelona nibe nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle